thanks everyone for joining the session. Welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. So Tungabhadra Networks is a company. Okay. So it's a purely networking company. It's a registered company. You can check it in MCA portal. Okay. Government of India. And yeah. And we are offering here CCNA, Juniper, Palo Alto, Linux, network automation, and Aruba also. We have added from this month we have added Aruba because Aruba is a very demanding product. Each and every enterprise architectures they're using Aruba, and we have also plenty of projects. I told you right, this is a company where we handle a projects. Okay, we will handle a projects. We have a lot of clients with us, and they're using Aruba also. Okay, yeah, this is a demanding courses currently. You're seeing so many placements, right? Where they are learning these courses based on that they're getting a jobs. So in networking domain, even career gap students who are having 11 years 15 years, you can get a job in networking domain. Only it is possible in networking domain. Okay, so now let me introduce myself. My name is Ramesh Goud. I have total 13.5 years of experience in entire networking domain. Okay, so I worked in various companies called Cisco, Nokia, Juniper, Amazon. My recent organization was Oracle. So I recently resigned from Oracle from December. You see, right, there are a lot of layoffs in Oracle. Even I was when I was there in the team last year also there was laid off. So lot of people are laid off. How? Why? I'll explain it. So skill. So last year in my team also, out of 10 people, 3 members got laid off. Remaining 7 people, we still here. We were there. Why? Remaining 3 people, they were just doing what they're assigning. That's it. So the skill is does matter. Skills. Based on the skills, there are a lot of factors for layoffs. I'll talk about it as well. Okay. Yeah. So this is my experience. I have total 13.5 years of experience. I worked in various product-based companies, especially I worked as a TAC engineer. TAC is the highest role in networking. What is TAC engineer? I'll explain it. Along with me, my colleague Karthik is also there. He has 7+ years of experience in networking. He was a Palo Alto TAC engineer. Okay. He was a Palo Alto TAC engineer. We both are TAC engineers and we have a very big team. I will introduce them as well, but we both are the directors of this company. Okay. We are running projects, we are running education services, we are doing a lot of things. Since it's a educational services, right? Let's talk about this. Okay. So everyone knows internet, everyone is using internet, right? So this technology about internet, it's all about internet, internet, internet. Without internet there is nothing in this world. So you cannot access ChatGPT, you cannot text in WhatsApp, right? Even software developers are building the apps. But without internet, are you accessing this Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp? No. So that is the power of internet. This internet technology covers in networking domain. So wherever the internet is there, right, there will be a network engineer. Hospitals, government organizations, IT companies, service providers, data center, everywhere we have a network engineers. So that's why we have a lot of openings. So companies are laying off the candidates, but Tungabhadra Networks is providing placements. See, that is the power of technology. And also there is a lot of networking institutes or there are a lot of networking technologies. So many people are teaching, but the specialty of network in Tungabhadra Networks is it is not an institute. Okay, I'm telling you, it is not an institute like where we follow the syntaxes, complete the protocol labs. No, this is not at all an institute. Okay, so what is this? Can anyone guess? Anyone following us? Can anyone guess what is
Company.
that? Yeah,
It is a
company.
company.
And as well as
Company. Company.
we are providing a industrial training internships.
Industrial
Okay,
trend.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, go on mute now, thank you. So we are providing
It is a lab.
indus sorry, what is that? Yeah, please go on mute. Yeah, so we are providing industrial training. Okay, what do you mean by industrial training? Currently whatever the protocols they're using in industry, like data center and enterprise and service provider architectures, as well as what are the devices There's a huge devices we have behind the internet. What are the devices we are using inside the devices? What are the protocols we are using? Exactly. So why they are giving monthly 3 lakh rupees for us, 2 lakh rupees for us, the salary? Why? Because you're doing a job. The real world job roles and responsibilities, concepts, everything will teach here. And also we have a setup, live setup, and we also have our own projects. Everything we will teach you on live devices, live protocols with real world projects. Real world projects means like real world architectures we'll implement in our office, and we'll do labs. Everything is real world here. That's why it's industrial training. So you will get a practical knowledge. సో ఒక జాబ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎలాంటి రోల్స్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ డైలీ వెళ్ళి ఏం జాబ్ చేస్తాడో ఆ జాబ్ అవి నేర్పిస్తాను ఇక్కడ. సో ఒక నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్గా ఆన్ ఏ రియల్ వరల్డ్, రైట్? వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వర్క్, రైట్, యూ విల్ లర్న్ హియర్. సేమ్ థింగ్. It's not a theory. No theory at all. There is no theory here. Everything is practical. That's why people are getting jobs. Okay. See, in March month itself, we have provided 48 placements. If you are following us, we were showing the offer letters also. April, just 5 days is completed. We have provided 8 placements. Overall, the company is established in the year of 2024, November 8th. Okay, 2024, November 8th. From there to now, we have provided 840 plus placements, still counting. So March month is a record month. So the last record is 34 placements in the month of December. Sorry, November, I guess, November. But now, March, April, May, we have a huge openings, and we hit a record breaking count. It is 48, still counting. In April month, we may break that our own record. Okay. So now let's talk about placements. Okay. So guys, there is a lot of people who are having career gap. Everything we'll discuss about it. Look at this. This is a March month play slips. March month placements. Okay. Now, if you see here, right, lot of people got selected in different companies. So these are the companies currently they got the job. There are a lot of companies we have, but let me show you here. Okay. So our students placed in all these companies. Okay. LTM, and Velocis and Vedang. Vedang is our regular client, and Badoda, okay, Bandoda and Systec. They will take care of data center technologies. Movate, it's a tag. IOPEX, DPJ Telecom is our regular client, and Diebold, and there is a lot of Provigil and Evron. Okay, so if you see here, right, these all are the companies. Okay, and these all are the guys. If I filter here, right, so freshers, let me filter it. Okay, if I filter it here, how many people I can see? Let me see that. So if you see right here, are you seeing all the placements? Are you able to see my screen, right, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It is.
Okay.
So,
If you see, right, I applied a filter here. Just uh I need to apply a filter here, not there. Okay. Let me apply a filter here. Okay. Now if you see, hmm, where is it? We have freshers. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see, right? There are a lot of freshers here. All are freshers. What is the highest package for fresher? 4.2 LPA. You see, right? It's SVN Tech. SVN Systech, he got as a data center engineer. So freshers can get a job between 2.4 LPA to 5 LPA. It depends on their skills. It depends on the client and budget. So we are offering a internships. People are who are taking internship, they will have a more knowledge. They're getting a huge packages. People are who are taking individual courses, right? They have only single course knowledge, and they will get a 2.5 minimum package. These all are fresher placements. Now green color, if you see right here, it is a experienced candidates. So experienced candidates, they're having just 2 LPA, 2.5 LPA, 1 year, 2 years of experience. They got 300% hike, 400% hike, minimum 100% hike is guaranteed here because I'm giving a TAC level training. What is TAC level training? I'll explain it. Look at this. This guy, Vamshi, got a 9 LPA and highest is in March month I can see 10 LPA. Okay, so I can see 10 LPA maximum. Okay, so they have very less experience, like 2 to 3 experience, and they have 4 LPA, 3.5 LPA like that, and they got now 10 LPA. You see, and also there is a non-IT people. Look at these non-IT guys. So non-IT, they're like, they're working in a colleges, they're working in a bank. Some people are HRs. Okay, so non-IT like data analyst or different domain. So Nagachandra, so he moved into TAC. TAC is a very highest role. He got with a good package of 6 LPA. Okay, there are a lot of non-IT people. If you see Sai Kirti, she's just doing support role. Okay, so she got in LTM. Okay, yeah, it's 5.92 LPA, not 2, 5.92. I was there with her, and yeah. So now you see, right? And freshers, if you see, right, freshers here, career gap, Raj Vincent, he has 5 years of career gap. And recently I have uploaded a video, he got 11 years of career gap. Okay. So why career gap students also getting job? That is the power of networking. We have a huge jobs openings in networking domain. So if you have a right skill set with packet level knowledge, definitely career gap doesn't matter. Okay, educational gap doesn't matter, everything will work. All you need is skills. Those skills we are providing with certifications here, genuine certifications. Okay, so yeah, now if you see here, right, we have a groups. Okay, we have a groups called in these groups, WhatsApp groups, we have it. In WhatsApp groups, freshers separate, we have a fresher WhatsApp group. So if you see, right, for freshers, we have a fresher WhatsApp group. After completion of the course, we'll take a mock interviews, and we'll refer to the once you clear the mock interviews, we'll refer to the clients. If you see recently, I think yesterday night, this guy. So this guy is a non-technical guy. He got a job. Okay, so he cleared in IBM also, but that will take 1 month time to get an offer letter. But he got in Meridian, March 23rd, and April 6th is going to join. So he got 6.2 LPA. See, April 6th is means tomorrow, right? Tomorrow he's going to join. So this is the last one. Okay. I did not even posted this. Okay. If you are in this group, go on mute, please. Go on mute, go on mute, go on mute. Who is that? Gopi, can you please go on mute? Please, team from Tungabhadra Networks, kindly mute them. So see, this guy is a fresher. This is the real success story. This guy is a fresher. He got a job in HCL Tech with 3.2 LPA. The wonderful thing is he did a degree in political science. Okay, look at this. So his name is political science. Yeah, he has a he did a BTech, what is degree in the year of 2021. Look at this. Look at this messages. Okay, he got a job in where? He got a job in HCL Tech as a fresher. Okay, so I'm telling you, whatever the background you are, doesn't matter. Skill does matter. That's what people are proving it. Look at this. He's a non-technical guy. Teja. He got a job in Neha Synergy with the client of Tata Advanced System when he got April 2nd, just 2 days back. Okay, Teja. So he's a non-technical guy, completely non-technical guy. He's moved into technical. His package was 1.8 only, and now he got 3.3 LPA. So moving to non-IT to IT is a big task. That too with the hike of 30%, 40% is good. Now this guy is a non-technical guy. He got a 5.5 LPA, cost to company CTC 5.5. Evron Technologies. Okay, he's also a non-technical guy. When he got just 2 days back, April 2nd. Okay, so this is a lot of offer letters, guys. In Excel sheet, I show you, right? And coming to this guy name is Durga Prasad. He didn't even complete his graduation. He's still pursuing. Okay. in Kakinada University, I mean JNT University. Okay, he got a job directly. You know what he done? So we were providing a labs, guys, projects for freshers. We're giving a live projects. You need to post those projects in where? In LinkedIn. So he was posting those projects in LinkedIn, and directly Comedia CEO contacted him, and they gave an opportunity to him, and he cleared the round. Directly he's working as a NOC engineer. That too, he's going to work on SD-WAN technologies. SD-WAN technologies only will get only if they have experience. So he also got a job. He still 1 month is pending to complete his graduation. Okay, so there are a lot of people. See, this is Vedang. So this is all pay slips, guys. I mean, offer letters, guys. If you're following us in Instagram or YouTube, I was posting offer letters in status. Okay, because offer letters cannot be post as a reels because it's a very confidential, right? Only status and internally in our internal groups we used to post. Okay, so there are, see, look at this, so many people. He got a job in Meena Vijay. She got a job. She's also a non-technical. She got a job in Movet as a Palo Alto tech engineer with 7.5 LPA. You see, right? So when March 19th. So in March month, we around provided 48 placements. In April, we provided 8 placements. Okay. So if I am explaining these placements and the people, right, it will take 1 hour or 2 hour. So I hope you got a clear picture after seeing the offer letters and everything. Okay. Now this is a placements. Why these many placements are getting? We are a lot of people are laying off, right? Laying off the jobs. మన నెట్వర్కింగ్ డొమైన్ లో ఎందుకు జాబ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి? అండ్ అదర్ కంపెనీస్ ఆర్ లేయింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్. హౌ? వాట్స్ ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ డొమైన్? Okay, let's understand. Do not text anything. If you text it, please exit it and call me, we'll talk. Okay, I'm talking here, and you have to listen it here, and then I will talk to one on mobile. I will provide you my mobile number. I will talk to you each and everyone one to one. Don't text on the Google Meet chat, and just listen what I'm saying. Okay, don't show so much of enthusiasm. Don't be hurried. It is a life, guys. Lot of people are getting a job. They are inspiring us. Okay, please understand. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is, see, it's a little distraction for me. So I'm saying like why people are getting these many jobs. In other hand, other companies are laying off the people. What is the difference between networking domain and other domain? So let's understand the technology. I will explain about technology. Then you will understand the importance of this networking domain. So networking domain means internet. How exactly internet works? You know very well. You are accessing a internet via broadband connection as well as 5G mobile, right? Yes or no? So broadband connection, you will take a internet connection from your local internet Act FiberNet or Hathway or Geo Fiber or Airtel Fiber. From there, you will take internet connection from your Wi-Fi. You are getting a internet connection. This is one way. And the second way is there is a tower through wireless 5G, 4G. You will get internet connection. You know very well how to use internet. You're already using the internet. That's why you join the Google Meet, right? And now you need to understand how exactly you are getting internet. If you learn what is the back end of internet, that's it. You're good. You'll get a job. So you need to understand, if I'm typing www.youtube.com on my browser, how exactly the data is loading. If I'm sending a hi in WhatsApp, right, how hi is going at the back end. Okay. If I'm uploading a videos and images in Instagram, right, how exactly it is uploading. If you understand what exactly is happening behind the internet, you are the professional network engineer, and you will easily get a job in this networking domain. The pay scale are also equal to software developers. It's completely IT networking. So like a government jobs, right? In a government department, we have a police department, treasury department, register department. There's a lot of departments under the government. Similarly, under IT, we have a networking domain, software domain, testing domain, support domain. There is a lot of teams under IT. It's a purely IT networking. Okay. Now, there is another way to get internet. What is that? Satellite. You know, right? Satellite, we have a antenna top of your house. From there, you will get an internet connection to your modem. From there, you will access the internet. Like satellite, how you're accessing a TV channels. Same way, you're accessing internet. How? Through satellite. So these are the three ways you can get an internet connection: broadband, mobile 5G, 4G, and satellite. So this is not entered in India at the moment. Okay, you know, Elon Musk is already providing this, and you know, ships. So ships, I know ocean, we don't have any towers, right, in ocean. So there are a lot of big ships. So how they're getting internet? Through satellite only. Those ships are getting internet through satellite. Okay, yeah. So these are the three ways to get a internet connection. Now let's understand how exactly the internet works at the back end. So hope everyone using Instagram and YouTube, right? Suppose you went to a marriage, you have taken a selfie photo. That photo you are uploading in Instagram. This is your mobile phone, okay? And whatever the application, right? It has a server. Suppose you're using Instagram. That Instagram is downloaded on your mobile phone. That is application. That Instagram will have a server. That server is located in data center. If you're using a YouTube, YouTube will have a server. If you're using a Tungabhadra Networks is as a server. Each and every application on your mobile phone will have a server. That server is located in data center. WhatsApp, it has a server. The server is located in data center. Please understand, మీ మొబైల్ ఫోన్లో ఎన్ని యాప్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో ప్రతి ఒక్క యాప్కి ఒక సర్వర్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ సర్వర్ ఎక్కడుంటుంది? డేటా సెంటర్లో. Okay, so now this is a mobile phone. Mobile phone low, I have installed Instagram application, and I have taken a selfie and uploading photo in Instagram. So ఒక 4 MB data ఉంది. The photo size is 4 MB. I uploaded in Instagram on my mobile. So this a Instagram server is there, right? That server is located where? So this is Wi-Fi. My mobile is connected to Wi-Fi. Here I uploaded photo. Okay, yeah. Now, Instagram server is located in data center. This is a data center. This server also connected to a internet. I am also connected to a internet. Suppose I have taken Airtel broadband. So my router is connected to a Airtel router. So whatever you're using a router at your home, it is just a cost of 2000 rupees. But at the back end, the routers which you are using is the cost of minimum 3 lakh rupees. In the anta cost ఆ రౌటర్. యెస్. ఆ రౌటర్ ఎలా ఉంటుందో చూపిస్తా. మన ఇంట్లో వాడే రౌటర్ కాస్ట్ జస్ట్ 2K. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద రౌటర్స్ యూ ఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఎట్ యువర్ హోమ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ జస్ట్ 2000, 3000 రూపీస్. బట్ ఇన్ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ రైట్ ద సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్స్, ISPs, Airtel, Jio, BSNL and other broadband acts, every company they're using real routers. That is called big routers. The cost of the router is 3 lakh rupees. Now, like this, every 35 to 40 kilometers, we have a router. Ante, currently you are uploading a data in Instagram. You are sitting in Hyderabad. The Instagram data center is located in Mumbai. So from Hyderabad to Mumbai, at every 35 to 40 kilometers, you have a tower. Like this, you may have a hundreds, thousands of routers, and they're connecting like this. And finally, a server also connected to a router, right? This router is connected to here. It means when you're uploading a data on your mobile phone or laptop, it is traveling your local router, and the backend it is traveling with ISP routers, and finally it will store in Instagram server. Not only Instagram, YouTube. If you upload any video on YouTube, it is traveling like this. So between the router to router, what cable we are using? Fiber optical cable. We are using fiber optical cable. So how exactly it is relevant? Mobile towers. So at India, we have Airtel, right? The biggest ISP. Wherever you go, you have a Airtel tower, Airtel signal. How? Because Airtel is installed thousands of routers in entire in India. And the connectivity, cable connectivity, they lay fiber cable through underground. ఓకే, భూమి లోపల కేబుల్ వేసేసారు. బిఎస్ఎన్ఎల్ వేసేసింది, ఎయిర్టెల్ వేసేసింది, జియో కూడా వేసేసింది. Understand? The fiber optical cable is already laid through underground in entire India. At every 35 to 40 kilometers, we have a router. If you want to install a router, you need a room and you need a power and everything, right? Where exactly they're installing? Now it is called mobile towers, right? Suppose in Hyderabad to Gachibowli, they lay a fiber cable through underground and there is a mobile tower. So here, okay, if you see mobile tower పక్కనే ఒక చిన్న రూమ్ ఉంటుంది. ఎప్పుడైనా అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారా? సో beside mobile tower there is a small room like this. See, this is a mobile tower. Okay, this is a small room. In this room, you have a devices. Okay, to turn on these devices, you have a power. If power goes down, we have a generator to turn on the devices. Okay, you have a backup also. Automatically, the generator will turn on. Yes, they will install it. Generator, they will install it. Okay, so at every 35 to 40 kilometers, you have a tower. These towers are connected through orthogonal spectrum. So they lay a fiber cable through underground and these routers, server switches we have in this room. Okay. From here, the cable is connecting to the mobile tower. And here you will get internet connection through wireless. Okay. Like మన ఇంట్లో వైఫై వరకు అంత బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ అంతా వైర్ ఉంటుంది కదా టిల్ యువర్ వైఫై రైట్ సో ఇట్ ఈస్ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఈస్ వైడ్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ వైఫై టు యూ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ వైర్లెస్ సిమిలర్లీ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ వైడ్ ఓన్లీ but mobile tower to your mobile tower to your mobile, right? It is a wireless, but it is a long distance wireless. In your home it is a short distance wireless. Understand? Okay, back end we have these routers and switches we have installed in this room. Okay, so please understand, whatever you are uploading a data rate every day, that is traveling across the thousands of routers, and finally it will store to Instagram. Okay, so look at this real data center. This is a real data center picture, and this is a server. It is a storage server. Look at this hard disks, 1 petabyte, 1 terabyte, 1 petabyte hard disks. So whatever you are uploading a photos, right, every data is storing in Instagram server, storage server. Look at these storage servers like this. These are the racks in data center. Lot of servers will be there in data center. So there are a lakhs of people, right? All the go on mute, please. Who is that? Jagdish, go on mute. Okay. So lot of racks we will see in data center. Inside racks, what you will see? This kind of servers. So this is the front end view of data center. Let's see a real Google data center image. Look at this. This is a real Google data center image. Look at this racks. There is a huge racks, and in this rack you have a servers. Okay. Now, what is the importance of networking? Yes, your server is connecting to our networking devices. What are the networking devices? I told you, right? These routers. These routers are very important. So these all servers are connecting to top of rack. You see, this is called Tor devices. You see, this is the router. You see a device here. Here ర్యాక్ పైన కొన్ని డివైజెస్ ఉన్నాయి. వీటిని ఏమంటారు? రౌటర్స్. సో ఇవే ఒక్కొక్క రౌటర్ కాస్ట్ వచ్చేసి 3 lakh 5 lakh రూపీస్ ఉంటుంది. సో హౌ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఇట్ లుక్ లైక్స్, లెట్ మీ షో యూ. సో దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ రౌటర్స్ లుక్ లైక్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద routers we use in real world. Cisco ASR. So the thing is, these routers are manufactured by Cisco company, Juniper company, and Huawei, Nokia. There is a lot of vendors who manufacture these routers. The cost of these routers is minimum 3 lakh rupees. Whatever the router you're using at your home, it is just 2000 rupees. So these router switches, they install in data center. Look at this. All the servers are connecting to where? Our routers. You see, this is a real image. This is a high level image. See, this server is connected to router, right? So now the real image is, this is a server through, see, this blue color, yellow color cables. It is connecting to where? Our router. Now who will maintain routers? We. We are the engineers, network engineers. After completion of this course, you will take care of routers and switches and firewalls. Understand everyone? All the servers are connected to where? Our networking devices. These are the networking devices, routers. So these are the routers we use to maintain and configure it. So in service provider, you see the routers here. Sorry, service provider means Airtel, Geo. Here you will see the thousands of routers. In data center, you will see a routers. Wherever you go, there is a network engineer. There is a routers. ఇంటర్నెట్ వస్తుందంటే చాలా అక్కడ రౌటర్ ఉంటుంది, అక్కడ నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్ ఉంటాడు. అందుకే హ్యూజ్ డిమాండ్. ఇన్ దిస్ కోర్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ వెరీ హ్యూజ్ డిమాండ్. So who will maintain, configure, who will take care of these routers? Network engineers. After giving my training, right, you will work on this. Okay. So these servers can be taken care by server engineers. Okay, but networking equipment, here you will see only two, but back end you have a lakhs of devices in net data center. Okay. Yeah. So this is how exactly the data is travel across the routers and stored in server. ఓకే. మీరు ఒక ఫోటోని మీ ఇన్‌స్టాగ్రామ్‌లో అప్‌లోడ్ చేస్తే ఇలా ట్రావెల్ అయ్యి ఫైనల్‌గా ఇన్‌స్టాగ్రామ్ సర్వర్‌లో స్టోర్ అవుతుంది. దాని బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఏమేమి ఉంటాయి? రౌటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే. అండ్ నౌ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ గుడ్. సంథింగ్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ ఇరాన్ అండ్ ఇజ్రాయెల్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఇన్ యూఎస్. యూ ఆర్ వాచింగ్ ఆన్ లైవ్. Cricket World Cup is going on in Australia or England. Okay. So what exactly, how exactly? Please do not chat. I will allow you to talk. Kindly, please. I'm distracting. This is a huge concept. I'm requesting you, literally begging you, everyone. Please do not text in chat. You can ask all your questions after this session. Just 20 minutes. It's almost done. Okay. So, what I'm saying is, there is a live cricket match is going on. You are watching on live. How? It is happening in US, UK. How? Because all the countries in this world, they are connecting each other. ప్రపంచంలో ఎన్ని దేశాలుంటే అన్ని దేశాలు ఒకదానికోటి కనెక్ట్ అయ్యి ఉన్నాయి. How? They are connecting each other through ocean internet cable, via undersea cables. Through undersea cables, they are connecting each other. Okay. In each and every country is connecting each other with undersea cables. This is called internet cable, ocean internet cable. Look at this internet cable between India to Asia, West Asia, specific countries here. Okay. How exactly India is connected to other countries? Let's understand. Okay. Before that, you see, right? This is a fiber cable, ocean fiber cable, and we have a special ship to lay a fiber cable between countries to country. Okay. Now, Syria, I mean, like this war is going on, right? Israel and Iran. So the UK countries are connecting through India. Okay. India through Ethiopia and then UK. So there is a undersea cables via Israel area. So they're trying to they want to cut the internet cables. If they cut the internet cables, it is a huge loss for other countries. Okay. So you can see, right? This is a Mumbai. If you see, right? Mumbai, from Mumbai, it is connecting to where? It is connecting to the Yemen. You see, here it is going to Iran, Iraq, like this. Understand? So, from Mumbai, it is connected to the West Asia specific countries, and Kochi to it is Maldives, Trivandrum to also Maldives, and here you see, right, Tuticorin to Sri Lanka, and now Chennai to Malaysia, Thailand, Myanmar, Bangladesh, right? These are the 5 locations where exactly India is connected. Like India is connected with other countries, right? Other countries also connecting each other. That's how. In case if anything happening in South Korea, we have a data center here. The data is traveling here like this. So somewhere it is happening. So data is traveling thousands of kilometers within fraction of seconds. You're watching on live. How? Because of this fiber cable. In the fiber cable, the data will travel in the form of light. The light speed. What is the light speed? Can anyone tell me what is the light speed?
3 into 10 to the power of 8.
meter per second.
Yes. Yes, very good, ma. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. This much of speed we have, and this much of speed with the help of sorry, The data can travel in this fiber cable. This is a fiber cable. This fiber cable made with glass. Okay, you played with the lasers, right? మీరు చిన్నప్పుడు lasers తో ఆడుకుంటారు కదా, సేమ్. What is that laser? It's a light. Same. The data can travel in this fiber cable with light speed. So we have this much of speed, but we don't have a device to accept this much of speed. 10 years back చూసుకుంటే మనకి 3G ఉంది. ఇంకా 15 years back చూసుకుంటే 2G ఉంది. We have a 2G. If you want to download any video or any song, right? 1990s kid know the pain. They have to go outside, they need to wait for the signal, and they need to wait for 30 minutes to download one song. But now you can download 1 GB of movie within 2 minutes. How? Because we have a light speed data cables, but we don't have any device. So 2013 they manufactured a devices, and and now we have a advanced devices who can accept this much of speed. Now still we don't have a device to accept light speed. Okay, we can accept up to 800 G per second, 800 GB data we can accept at the moment. We have a devices called SFPs. So those SFPs, so we call it device. So these devices can accept up to 800 GB. So maybe after 10 years, you may have a lot of hardware that can accept huge speed. Okay. Now next is 6G is coming. So whatever the equipment at your home, right? Everything you can access via internet. Soon it is going to happen. Okay. So now this is how where exactly India is connected. Whatever happened in this world, right? You're able to see on live because the data is quickly traveling across the countries through ocean and you're able to watch on live. Okay. Now between the device to device, right? Suppose Chennai to Mumbai, we have 1,000 kilometers. Now the laser, you played with the laser, right? That laser also can travel up to some distance. After that the signal will lose. Laser తో మీరు ఆడుకుంటారు కదా, అది కూడా కొంత దూరం వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత సిగ్నల్ ఆగిపోతుంది. So same here in the fiber cable, the signals can travel up to 100 kilometers. After that, the signal will lost. So that's why we have a DWDM devices. If you are a EC student, you will understand the DWDM technologies, dense wavelength division multiplexing. So this is the devices manufactured by Cisco company. So these are the devices in 2016 low. When I was working in 2016, I have taken this picture. So this is a fiber cables. So this is a devices, DWM devices. What they can do, they can boost the signal up to another 100 kilometers. Okay. So suppose Mumbai to Chennai, we have 1,000 kilometers. How many devices you need between Chennai to Mumbai? How many DWM devices you need?
10.
10.
10.
10.
10, right? This is in the year of 2016. Now they developed a DWM devices. The device can boost the signal up to 800 kilometers. So now how many devices I need?
Two.
Around 1.5. 1.5.
అట్లా ఉండదు, వన్ పాయింట్
I
ఫైవ్
mean two.
డివైస్ టూ
Two.
డివైస్ తీసుకోవాలి. యా.
Two.
సో నౌ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ రైట్, ద టెక్నాలజీ ఈజ్ ఎవాల్వింగ్. టెక్నాలజీ అనేది గ్రో అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ద టెక్నాలజీ ఈజ్ ఎవాల్వింగ్. దిస్ ఈస్ 10 year బ్యాక్ స్టోరీ. నౌ ద లేటెస్ట్ ఈస్ the devices can boost the signal up to 800 kilometers. So that's how. So this is called optical network engineer. In your intermediate or BTech, you have a fiber optical communication. This is all about it. Okay. Yeah. So guys, these are the devices we used behind the internet. What are these? DWDM and routers. Very important. See, you, I will ask you one question. If you're calling from Geo to Airtel, right? Call is going or not? If you call from Geo to Airtel or Geo to BSNL,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
who is
Yes,
the
sir.
device? How it is going? Because of this router. This router can enable a communication between the networks. So the Geo is connecting to here, Airtel is connecting to here. So this is a router who can make a communication between the networks. అసలు ఇంటర్నెట్ పనిచేస్తుందంటే ఈ router వల్ల. So we will purchase a lot of routers in ISPs, thousands of routers. In data center అయితే lakhs ఉంటాయి. So based on your requirement, you will purchase a router. See, this cost is 3 lakh rupees. You have a big devices here. The cost of this big routers is 10 crore rupees. Why this much of cost? Because this giving internet connection to lakhs of people. lakhs of people. Okay, so they don't give you access of this device. These devices are very powerful. Even if you want to turn on these devices, you need a huge power. Okay, so these are the devices. So if you go to any institute, you cannot get a hands-on experience on these devices. Even if you get, that is the old devices, and you will get, they will charge very huge. Okay, so you understand, right? Someone texted it, power on, when it comes to cost the physical reserve, yeah. So it is not possible now, right? For you, I spent 97 lakhs of rupees and I purchased the devices. Okay, we have already devices with us, and we spent another 97 lakh rupees. If we purchase those devices 3 months back, I will get with 48 lakhs. But why it is doubled? Because of the war situation. Because of the war, because of the transport issues, the prices are doubled. But I'm very much passionate about networking. I want to provide practical knowledge to the people. That's why they're getting a jobs. All my company aim is to fulfill the candidate dreams. Your To fulfill your dream is our dream. So that's why we are spending all the amount on the devices. Okay, so these devices we have at our offices. We have 4 branches at the moment. Hyderabad. In Hyderabad, we are extending our branch. KPHB, we have taken a one more very big office. We are going to open in within 15 days. Okay, yeah. And we have office at Bangalore, Martali, Vizag at Dwarkanagar, Karnool. In May first week, we are opening a office in Vijayawada. In Vijayawada, exact location we will let you know. Okay, so we still working on it. It's the process is in progress. Okay, once it is completed, we'll let you know. May month we will open a one more branch. So we are providing all the device access to you. If you go to any company, if you join as a network engineer, they don't give you direct access to you. Any network engineers here, any existing network engineers here in Nakrol or somewhere,
Hey,
right?
yeah, yeah. I'm working
Initially,
there.
yeah, initially will they give you a direct access to you of these devices?
No, no, sir.
No, no. But
No.
what I'm doing here, you can do all. I'm giving live access to you. You can touch those devices. You can connect the cables. You can do whatever you want to do. Just don't break it. Use it. Okay. So these are the switches, routers, firewalls. All these are networking devices. Firewall is mandatory for any company. For any big company, watchman is good, watchman is required, right? Only authorized people they will allow inside. Same firewall also. From internet, lot of hackers or some other unauthorized traffic trying to enter into your organization. They want to steal your information, but firewall can stop that. Okay, you can allow only authorized traffic, as well as you can block the websites. If you see in government organizations and private organizations, Facebook, YouTube, everything will be blocked. 18 plus content also will be blocked. Why? Because of firewalls. So industry standards, you need to know routers, switches, firewall, security, everything. You should know. If you know all these concepts, you'll get a job easily. That's how my students are getting job. Okay, so this is very important. So routers, switches, and firewalls, we have it on all the live devices. Anyone from Hyderabad, can you
Yes,
please?
sir. I'm
No,
from
no, 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 no,
Hyderabad.
no, no, no. I'm
Sir,
talking
yes,
about
sir.
my team. Go on mute. Hyderabad Tungabhadra team, can you turn on the
Yes, sir.
video and show the live devices? మా టీంకి చూపిస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ డివైజెస్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉన్నాయని. We have a 4 branches at the moment, right? We have all these devices at our office. So who is there from Hyderabad branch? Vinay, Vivek?
Hey, I will.
Yeah, yeah. Please turn on the video. Yeah. Guys, చూస్తున్నారా? Everyone able to see?
They're
Students also.
practicing their
Yes,
lab.
sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారు. రైట్ సైడ్ లో ఉన్నాయి కదా. సో ఇందాక నేను స్క్రీన్ లో చూపించినవి ఇవే స్విచ్చెస్, రౌటర్స్, అడ్వాన్స్ రౌటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. కింద ఏఎస్ఆర్ రౌటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. కింద చూడండి. కింద అవి ఒక్కొక్కటి 12 to 13 lakhs సెకండ్ హ్యాండే. అంటే 1 year ఓల్డ్‌వి. కొత్తవి ఇంకా కాస్ట్. సో ఇక్కడ చూస్తున్నారు కదా, దీస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ రౌటర్స్ అండ్ స్విచెస్. వీటిని పవర్ ఆన్ చేయడానికే చాలా కాస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఈ డివైజెస్ పవర్ ఆన్ చేసి వివేక్ గో ఆన్ మ్యూట్. కమ్ Way government. So devices if you want to turn on these devices, it will cost lost. It will cost huge actually. So purchasing a device is one hectic and providing hands-on experience. Why I'm doing this? Because you will get a hands-on experience. So here all the routing protocols, switching protocols, everything you will configure it. So ఈ ర్యాక్ లో ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ రిమోట్ ద్వారా లాగానే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటారు. దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ బెంచ్. ఆ బెంచ్ మీద ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఉన్నారు. వివేక్ కొంచెం లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్ లో వ్యూ చూపించు. సో ఇట్లా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇట్లా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఏంటిది? సో ఏదైతే నేను యాక్చువల్గా వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ GNS3. సో ఫర్ రిమోట్ పీపుల్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ GNS3. ఈ డివైజెస్ లో వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ వి యూజ్ ఇన్ దీస్ డివైజెస్, రైట్, వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ఇన్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్. ఇన్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్ exactly you are building the labs. Okay, so you see, right, this is it. So show the classroom. So this is the office. At the moment we are extending a new office. Okay, so Vivek, can you give me
Sir.
a long view?
Yeah,
Can
okay.
you can you come little bit back and show it? Okay, so yeah, so this is Hyderabad branch. Okay, so fine. Now anyone from Karnool? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
I am there, sir.
No, I'm
Yes, sir.
talking.
Yes, sir. I'm
I'm
available.
I'm talking about my team. So I want to show you live devices. So in Karnool, we have a servers also. In Karnool, we have a servers. One second, ma, I will pin it. Yeah, share it,
Yes,
ma.
sir.
Share
Yes,
it.
sir.
Share it. Share it. Guys, are you seeing in Karnool same rack, same devices, right? This is Karnool branch. At the bottom, you will see a servers also. We have everything here. Routers,
Not
switches,
as
IS. Is it visible? Everyone able to see, right? This is a server. Okay. Everyone able to see?
Not
Hello.
visible, sir.
no, sir. Not
Sir,
visible,
one
sir.
small doubt,
So
sir. Is
check
the
it.
Kannur branch is the best or Hyderabad branch is the
Everywhere
best,
it is
sir?
best. Everything is best. Everywhere it is having everything. It's the same. It's same. బట్ కర్నూలులో ఉంటే హైదరాబాద్కి వెళ్ళి పీజీ డబ్బులు పెట్టి డబ్బులు వేస్ట్ చేసుకొని అన్హెల్తీ ఫుడ్ తినడం కన్నా కర్నూలుకి రావడం బెటర్. కొంత అమౌంట్ సేవ్ అవుతుంది. హెల్తీ ఫుడ్ తింటారు, ఇంట్లో ఉంటారు. ఓకే, ఇన్ వైజాగ్ ఆల్సో ఐ విల్ షో ఇట్. వెయిట్. సో యూ సీ, రైట్, దిస్ ఇస్ ర్యాక్. ఎవ్రీవన్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ. నేను పిన్ కూడా చేశానండి,
Yes, sir. Yes.
రైట్. సో
Sir.
అమ్మ లాంగ్ వ్యూ చూపియమ్మా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద టేబుల్. యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ లైవ్ స్విచెస్. దిస్ ఇస్ అ కర్నూల్ ఆఫీస్. ఓకే, okay, so students can come and practice it here. Okay, yeah, okay, now understand everyone. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, this is it. And now Vizag, anyone from Vizag? Rajesh?
Yeah, yeah, yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
No, I am talking about my team. Okay, they will show you Vizag location devices. Okay, yeah, see, these are Vizag location devices. Okay, so people can, freshers can practice on the bench, and there is a lot of devices on the rack. Okay, here you see, right, same devices, same. Okay, we have same setup everywhere. Okay, so now thank you, Rajesh. So Vizag location is located in Dwarka Nagar. So we have a firewalls, Palo Alto firewalls, routers, switches, everything. And now Bangalore, anyone from Bangalore?
Yes, sir. I'm available.
Yeah, ma Padma, please go ahead. Guys, able to see now rack in Bangalore? Bangalore, we have a dedicated rooms. Okay, so this is for freshers. You can see, right, in Bangalore, this is a rack. So you have a advanced devices in Bangalore as well, like ASR 1K, 2Ks. And now on the table, you can check the router switches here. And if you go to separate, we have a separate room for freshers to practice inside. See, this is a live devices, right? And now, can you show the new devices, ma? We have purchased, right? So this is a devices we have purchased recently. Almost 40 to 50 devices we have. We are going to teach you Fortinet firewall. There is a lot of things. Okay, Cisco Meraki we added. Lot of things we have added. We have servers also. Everything. Okay, so these devices can come to Hyderabad soon. Okay, within 1 week. Okay, guys. Lot of people go on mute. Okay, thank you, ma. So now, thank you, ma. So you understand, right? In all the branches, we have hardware devices like this. right? Have you seen on the live right now? Yes or no? Everyone, have you seen
Yes,
it,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
you
sir.
have.
Yes,
So
it was good.
yeah, the thing is, I'm telling you, do not compare this training with the institute training. This is not a institute level training. Whatever we are doing on the live, right? Same thing. Live means the real world companies you're doing here. That's why the cost is little different here. If you, we, I can teach you with the 6,000 rupees about CCNA. That is syntax. Doesn't make any sense. Okay. So this is completely tag level training, guys. Try to understand. Google it. What do you mean? What is mean by tag training? TAC. Tag training. What does it mean? Google it. I will also explain it, but you can explore it with your senior engineers or everyone. Here, there is a lot of network engineers also. They want to enhance their skills. So I will talk about it. Okay. So thing is, we have to purchase these devices and we have to maintain all these devices, right? That's why the cost is a little vary. If you want to learn things at practically, and this knowledge can give you, and also this is a lifetime access, guys, not a single time. It's a lifetime access. In future also you can come anytime and practice it. Go to nearest branch, practice on the live devices. Okay, our assistance is lifetime, everything is lifetime. So my dream is, if you want to learn, we will put our blood and sweat and we will help you. Ultimately you need to get a job. My team goal is provide jobs as much as we can. Okay, not only technical training, practical training. We will build your resumes, we'll take mock interviews, we'll refer to the clients. We associated with now 78 plus clients now. We have a lot of clients. We will refer it. The thing is, in interview you need to prove. If anyone is looking for, you know, example, there is a career gap student, his career gap is 11 years or 10 years, and whatever the career gap, he's a fresher, he will get 2.8 lpa, 2.5 lpa, but that guy doesn't agree with 2.5 lpa. Hey, my friends are having 5 lpa, 6 lpa, I need 6 lpa. So he's asking what? He's asking fake experiences. So fake petelamantaru. No. If anyone would like to go with fake experience, kindly drop from this meeting right now. We don't encourage any fake. We go with genuine. Even if you are a career gap, we'll refer you as a fresher. Work for 1 year, get a 2.5 LPA. After that, your package will be double. After 2 years, your package will be double again. So step by step, the success will come. Okay. So don't compare yourself with others. Compare with the technology. So like your friends or colleagues, definitely you will be in good position after working hard. Okay. So not within one single night. Okay. Please understand. In a single night, if you go in a wrong direction, you cannot, worth it, and this is not good also. Okay, from last 1.5 year I train almost 1500 students. 1500 students, and I'm giving this path. Capgemini, there is a lot of backdoor entries. They paid 5 lakh rupees and they lost it. Okay, doesn't make any sense. So kindly avoid backdoor jobs, fake experiences, and everything. Instead of that, investing on skills, practical skills నేర్చుకోండి. Do a certifications. If you do a certifications, they will put a red carpet and welcoming you. That is the power of networking domain. Don't compare with software domain. Now nothing is there. Okay, so Claude AI, ChatGPT can create a code, they can do testing. You know what, in my company also we integrated ChatGPT because I worked for ChatGPT. I will show you now. That is the next slide. Okay. So these all are the devices you are going to learn and do practice on the live devices. Based on that, we have a prices. Compare with it and you can check it. Okay. Yeah. Now,
Sir, one thing. Sir,
no, no, no,
yeah.
no, no, no. Please, please, please. I'm really
Okay.
sorry. Please kindly accept my apologize. I cannot take any questions because the flow will be distracted. Just allow me 5 to 10 minutes. I almost completed the explanation. I will talk to you. Okay. Just 5 minutes, guy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now the question is, does AI will take network engineer jobs? So once you complete all this training, right, you will become a network engineer. You will get a job. Now, does AI will take a job? You will tell. I will explain it. You will tell whether it will take it or not. So this is called AI device, NVIDIA devices. So all the AI companies, they're using NVIDIA devices except Google. Google have their own chipset. It is called TPUs. Okay, recently, just 1 month back, so the Jensen from NVIDIA CEO, he launched Vera Rubin NVL 144 CPX device. So earlier we have a GB200. See why I know all these things. I worked for OpenAI. I was in Oracle AI. Okay. So Oracle AI is building a data center for all AI companies, especially ChatGPT. So ChatGPT means OpenAI. They're purchasing a devices from NVIDIA, and Oracle is building a data centers inside the AI data center. What is the difference between AI data center and normal data center? In normal data center, you will see a servers like this. Okay. In AI data center, you will see a AI devices like NVIDIA devices. The cost of these devices are very huge. Okay, whatever you're typing it on DeepSeek or Chat GPT or Claude, right? Whatever you're typing on the front end application, your request will come across the internet. సో మీరు ఏదైతే టైప్ చేస్తున్నారో అదంతా ఇంటర్నెట్ ద్వారా మధ్యలో రౌటర్స్ ఉంటాయి, రౌటర్స్ ద్వారా ట్రావెల్ అయ్యి లాస్ట్కి ఎక్కడికి వస్తాయి? ఈ డివైజెస్కి వస్తాయి. సో దీస్ ఏఐ డివైజెస్ క్యాన్ ప్రాసెస్ యువర్ రిక్వెస్ట్ అండ్ క్రియేట్ ఏ ఇమేజెస్. దే విల్ రెస్పాండ్ అకార్డింగ్ టు యువర్ రిక్వెస్ట్. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఏదైతే సెర్చ్ చేస్తారో చాట్ జీపీటీలో అదంతా ప్రాసెస్ చేసేది ఎవరు? ఈ డివైజెస్. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. These devices are connecting with LAN cables. Where exactly these devices are connecting? Our networking devices, our routers. These NVIDIA GB200 devices are connecting to where? Our routers. Like this in data center, there's a lakhs of routers. So thousands of GPUs, these are connected to the lakhs of routers. Okay, so who will connect the cables and configure everything? Network engineer. Okay, without helping of networking, does AI works? ఇంటర్నెట్ లేకుంటే మీరు అసలు చాట్ జీపీటీ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఇస్తే పని చేస్తుందా? చెప్పండి.
No, no, sir.
Right
No,
now,
sir.
now in AI data center also, without network engineer is connecting these cables and they are connecting with the routers. So without network engineers, does AI works? Tell me. In fact, AI is taking a help of network engineer. Not only network engineers, there is electrical engineers. There are a lot of people, but network engineers are contributing a lot of percentage. 60% of the job can be done by network engineers. Okay, remaining electrical people and other people. Without networking, you cannot build a data center because I worked there, so you can check it. So we build a data center for OpenAI. In which location? Abilene in US. So go to YouTube, you have it. Okay, so you have it. Okay, so OpenAI data center in Abilene. Okay, you can check it here. So this is a inside OpenAI strategy. So who is building this? Oracle. Okay, see, Oracle. Okay, understand everyone, this is a data center. Okay, we have lot of halls, we used to call halls here inside data center. Okay, this is a building internally. So yeah, you see, right, this is the data center, OpenAI data center. Understand how many boxes you see? 4 boxes, and it is connected to the middle one. Okay, so inside this data center, what devices you will see? NVIDIA GB200s right now. What is that? NVIDIA GB200. Guys, interesting unda, bore kodutunda demo?
No, no, sir.
Interesting, amazing.
Okay,
Interesting.
look at this. Let's complete this advertisement. Look at this. So you're actually knowing the అసలు ఏంది బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఏముందో తెలుస్తుంది మీకు కదా. So luckily, I'm from Andhra Pradesh. Luckily, I got an opportunity to work with Amazon and Oracle to explore these advanced technologies. My agenda is to tell you all this. ante సాఫ్ట్వేర్ నో, దెర్ ఇస్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్. చాలా మందికి ఏం తెలీదు, చెప్పడమే నా బాధ్యత. సి, దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్ జీపీయూస్. ఒక్కొక్క జీపీయూలో, ఒక్కొక్క ఎన్విడియా జీబీ200లో 72 జీపీయూస్ ఉంటాయి. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. ఒక ట్రే చూసారా? ఒక ట్రేలో 12 జీపీయూస్ ఉంటాయి. లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్, the GPUs. All these line cards are installed in one NVIDIA GB200. So this is a NVIDIA GB200. Look at this, how big it is, 11 feet or 10 feet, and they give a lot of power. So people are talking about 1 gigabit data center, right? 2 gigabyte, 2 gigawatt data center. Why? because these devices consume lot of power. Okay, so whatever it is, I don't care. I am investing a lot of money to purchase these devices. Maybe soon I can purchase Nvidia devices also, not sure. But currently I have purchased all the networking advanced devices to practice it, and you will see on the offices. Okay, this is a GPUs. Okay, so each GPU, he's explaining about each GPU. This is a spine. Whatever is holding, right, this is called spine. So all the GPUs are connecting here. Okay, so yeah, you see at the back end, right? This is a AI device. Okay, yeah. So I hope you got a clear picture. Now, recently, just 2 months back, this NVIDIA device is having just 72 GPUs, but now they doubled it, and it is called NVL 144. This is called 144 GPUs. They doubled it. Okay, so that is the power of networking. All the NVIDIA devices and Google have own TPU. Even Amazon also have their own chipset. Amazon is also have their own chipset. So Amazon chip, the chip name is called Annapurna. Okay, so it sounds like Telugu, right? Telugu driven word. Yes or no? So see, they named as a Annapurna Lab. Okay, Annapurna Lab. Okay, so Amazon is building their own chipset is called Annapurna. Okay, in Annapurna Labs. Okay, they generate the Trainium. So they're building a chipsets. So these companies have a lot of money. They can invest on research and development. They can build their own chips like Amazon and Nvidia, AMD, and all. Okay, so now let's welcome to the reality of AI. Back end, we have AI devices in data center. All the AI devices are connected to the networking devices called our routers and switches. Okay, so now you understand why networking. We have a servers, AI devices, everything is connected to our networking device. Without networking, there's nothing in this world. Even we cannot talk like this. Phone calls, voice calls, everything is about networking. Now, these networking devices are manufactured by Cisco, Juniper, Nokia, Huawei, and lot of companies. Nokia అంటే స్మాల్ డబ్బా ఫోన్ అనుకున్నారు, చాలా ఉంది. మొబైల్ టవర్స్ ని మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేయడం కానీ, సో రౌటర్స్ లైక్ ఎస్ఆర్ routers, lot of ISPs like in India, Vodafone Idea is there. They're using Nokia routers. Okay, so yeah, these companies are manufacturing the routers. Now, the important is Cisco. Cisco is very top. Cisco,
CDRD,
Hari,
CDRD కూడా మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ వచ్చే వన్.
I'll talk later, please. Okay, yeah. So Cisco is a very top company. Okay, so now I'm giving Cisco training. Juniper, lot of people doesn't aware of Juniper. Now Juniper is acquired by HPE company. Okay, it is very important. So everyone talks about Cisco. No, in data center and service provider environment, Juniper is also there. So if you want to know whether you have a jobs on this CCNA, Cisco, so CCNA, right? So Cisco is called initially CCNA, CCNP. Juniper is called JNCIA. So let's filter a jobs in Naukari. Okay, if you check right here, where is it? Yeah, this is Naukari platform. Just type JNCIA. Okay, okay, and CCNA and network engineer. You will come to know a lot of jobs and search it. Just search it and look at this. How many jobs you have? Almost 7,000 on all lot of jobs we have. So just open 2-3 jobs. Just open 2-3 jobs where here. Okay, so it's not required to open to and show you, but because I'm providing a lot of placements, right? You will come to know with offer letters. But even though I want to show you the power of Juniper. Okay, if you see here, right, CCNA certification or Juniper equivalent. So let me search with JNCA. Not here. See, they will ask you industry certification such as CCNA or JNCA. Okay, so CCNA certification exam fee is $370, but Juniper is $232. But Juniper is giving $150 discount, guys. So that's why with the just 5,000 rupees, it means $55, you'll get a certification. So if you have a certification, right, you will have a very demand, huge demand. So I'm giving CCNA Juniper. Juniper is completely Linux based. So here I'm giving Linux training also. Linux for networking, not administration, because inside this NVIDIA device also it's a Linux, and inside Juniper also it's Linux. Cisco ASR is also Linux. All the product operating systems are built with Linux. Okay, so that's why I'm giving Linux for networking. Okay, so we are teaching everything here. So multi-vendor knowledge is very important, because in one company they will not buy only one device. మన ఇంట్లోనే ఉన్నాం, ఫ్రిడ్జ్ ఒక కంపెనీ ఉంటే టీవీ ఒక కంపెనీ ఉంటుంది, మిక్సర్ ఒక కంపెనీ ఉంటుంది, అవునా కదా? అన్ని ఒకే కంపెనీ వాడుతున్నారా అందరు ఇంట్లో? ఎవ్రీవన్ యూజింగ్ ద సేమ్ కంపెనీ? Fridge
No,
is
sir.
one,
No,
right?
sir.
So depends on the budget, depends on the performance, you will purchasing. Same here in the companies also. Depends on the performance, depends on the budget, they will purchase. So that's why I'm giving a multi-vendor knowledge. That's why a lot of people are getting job. This is a secret. Okay. So now once you complete the courses, right, what kind of job roles you will get? Network engineer in data center. Just now I spoke about it. Okay. Now this is me in the year of 2016, almost 11 years back or 10 years back. 10 years back, I worked in a data center. See, this is a, how I know all these things, because I started working my journey from 2013. Okay. So I worked in a data center, and this is me. Okay. APSFL is still it is there in Vizag. Okay. Now the next another role is network analyst. So once you complete this course, right, you will get a job as a network analyst. It means in any company there will be a impacts. Some services go down, some internet is not coming for people. So what you need to do, you need to analyze it. Next time the issue cannot be repeated, so you need to provide a root cause analysis. So this kind of jobs you will get. And now NOC engineer, this is an entry level job for network engineers. For freshers it is okay, join here and work as a work for 1 year. For experienced candidates, if you join as a NOC engineer, you don't have any career. Only work in a NOC environment for 1 year. No, not more than 1 year. If you guys are still working as a NOC engineer, you don't have much career opportunities. So here I'm going to give you a lot of complex technologies. I will train you. I will give you a critical projects. You need to mention that. Anyone here as a NOC engineer? ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా ఒకరైనా NOC engineer ఇక్కడ? Anyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
So what you will do in case of any hardware level issues, you will check it
No, sir.
and
Troubleshooting.
troubleshoot.
Side,
Yeah,
side
basic
down,
troubleshoot.
side downs, follow-ups,
Yeah, that's it. Follow-ups,
side downs,
RMS,
follow-ups,
create a ticket with the field team.
RCS,
Yeah, that's what.
inform field information, and finally report to the
That's it.
final report to CTOs.
Yeah, that's the only thing you do, right? In case of any interface down, hardware level issues, power issues, anything down, right? You will coordinate with the field engineer, resolve the issues. That's it. Apart from that, you cannot do anything. Even in monitoring tools, you may use PRTG, JobX, and Cisco Prime, WhatsApp Gold. There is a lot of, yeah, there is a lot of monitoring tools.
Citrix.
Yes, there is a lot of monitoring tools. People can use it. So yeah, here I'm giving a training on JobX as well for freshers. Okay. So yeah, it's time to upgrade yourself. You cannot. So the entire resume will be changed after the training. I will give you more complicated. You worked as a complex protocols, and how exactly your senior engineers are doing at the back end, right? That kind of roles and responsibilities I will give you, and anything everything you will configuring here and practicing here. Okay, so these are NOC engineer role for freshers. Okay, now L1 network engineer, generally if you join in any company they will give as L1 network engineer. L1 means like they don't give access. L1 అంటే layer 1 layer 2 layer 3 అనుకుంటారు, అట్లా కాదు. L1 అంటే entry level, and they don't give full access to you. Only read only access they will give you. Okay, now network administrator, like hospitals, malls, big and small organization companies, right? Especially small enterprise architectures like LIC office, banks. Okay, so entire office you need to maintain, like routing, switching, firewall, security, and desktops also. Each and everything you need to maintain. So they will give you network administration role. So one skill, if you learn networking, these are all our job designations. If you want to get into that, one skill is networking. Okay, So network engineering service provider. So service provider is like Jio, Airtel, okay, CFI Technologies, Tata Communications. If you get a job in these companies, do not miss it, guys. Very important. Service provider only, you will learn a lot. I have been in service provider for 6 years. Okay. Now tech engineer. I was highlighting tech engineer, right?
Sir, sir,
So
sir, 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 one, sir,
Hari,
one doubt, sir.
Hari, please note
Sir,
down all
జియోలో
your doubts.
ఇది మన టెలికాంలో సార్ టైప్
హరి మీ
ఓకే
క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకోండి. నేను మాట్లాడితే అయిపోయింది ఇంకా
ఓకే
ఎంతసేపు 2 స్లైడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి అంతే. ఓకే. సో నౌ ద ఫైనల్ వన్ ఈస్
ఓకే సార్
టాక్
ఓకే
ఇంజనీర్. యా,
ఓకే
టాక్ ఇంజనీర్. టాక్ engineer means in your company already there are network engineers. They are troubleshooting the issue. Even if your company senior network engineers are not resolving, right? Who will contact? They will contact TAC. TAC is the highest role, so they will escalate to TAC. TAC can understand the customer topology and they represent the product. You will get this job only in product base. You're representing a product. It means you're purchasing an iPhone. In case if anything happened to iPhone, you'll go to the iPhone store, right? They will check each and everything same. So the companies will purchase Cisco devices, Juniper devices, and lot of devices. In case if anything happened to those devices, hardware level or protocol level, they will contact to TAC. TAC can take care of everything. So it means in your product based company, you'll get a job. So what is the difference between product based and service based company? Service based companies are TCS, Infosys, HCL. These are the service based companies. They will get a clients from Microsoft, Amazon, Cisco, Palo Alto, like that. So they will get a they will get a project from where? Product based companies. Product based companies, they will hire a candidates from IIT, NITs for freshers, or else minimum 2 years, 6 years of experience candidates. They will hire it if you have a packet level training. So here I was a tech engineer. I worked for 4.5 years as a tech engineer. I am giving a tech engineer training here. It means మీ కంపెనీలో ఆల్రెడీ నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఉన్నా మీరు ఎస్కలేట్ చేస్తారు కదా, బట్ ఇక్కడ నేను ట్యాక్ లెవెల్ ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తున్నా. ఇట్ మీన్స్ ప్యాకెట్ లెవెల్ ట్రైనింగ్. ఓకే, వాట్ యూ మీన్ బై ప్యాకెట్ లెవెల్ ట్రైనింగ్? Even cyber security guys also joining here and learning packet level. What does it mean? If you're searching something in internet, how exactly it is displaying? See, now I'm accessing internet via Wi-Fi. Look at this. I'm double click on it. So this is live packet capture. So look at this. I'm stopping the packet capture. Here source address is, this is called IP address. This is called IP address. This is my computer IP address. Look at this. IP config. If you give, what is my computer IP address? 0.200. This is my computer IP address. And you see, right, this 74 series, this is called Google Meet. Currently I'm accessing Google Meet, right? See, it's a live data. It is capturing a live data via UDP protocol. So my voice is a data, right? It's a live data. It is going from my computer to server, server to computer. It is coming continuously. It's a live data. So otherwise, if you want to see what is happening my website, so this is my website IP. I'm just showing you. Don't ask much details. I will show you in the class. The basics of networking lo chupistanandi. Look at this. These are Tungabhadra networks. See, and what is this? This is my Tungabhadra networks. What is the IP of Tungabhadra networks? Let's filter it. Okay. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Now, if you see, right, is it doing packet capture or not? Let me do that one more time. Just a second. Tungabhadra networks.in. I think IP has been changed. Okay. So now let me find my company IP. Tungabhadra networks.in. Oh, my company, my public IP has been changed. Fantastic. Okay. So this is my company IP. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Now I'm opening my website. Look at this, guys. Once you type any website on your browser, what will happening here? Look at this. Okay. So some data is loading. What is this? IP address are changed or what? Okay. This is the Tungabhadra networks .in. This is my website IP, right? Okay, let me copy. And only I'm filtering the data with IP. See, this is how you learn. So what exactly it is loading on the backend, right? You learn. Okay, we'll do one thing. You can check anything like uh, flipkart.com. See, look at this flipkart.com. Okay, this is a Flipkart website IP. So what exactly is happening when you type a www.flipkart.com on your browser? Okay, so this is a Flipkart IP, right?
Voice is not clear.
Everyone, my voice is not clear. Hello, is it
Yes,
clear?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear.
Okay, yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, maybe your internet issue at your end. Okay, so this is a flipkart.com, and you will see a packet capture. Why I'm not capturing this? 1 second. Okay, so you see, right? Where is that? Flipkart.in. Okay, okay. Generally, whatever you're accessing the website, right? Like Google Meet or Flipkart and everything, I can filter it. And so you will take a packet capture, the back end, what is exactly is going on, right? You'll do this. You'll do this here. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is you can do a packet capture and all, once you type www.flipkart.com, what exactly is happening at the back end, we will open each and every packet and we'll explain everything with headers. This is very important for all the network engineers. What are the layer 2 fields? What is layer 3 fields? What are the layer 4 fields? అందరికీ చాలా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది, బట్ డోంట్ వరీ, ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ from scratch, the training is equal to freshers and experience. So my if I after completion of this training, you'll get a like 10 years of experience candidates, right? That kind of knowledge you'll get here. So packet level training I will teach you from day one. So all the classes are live. Once the class is completed, I will provide you the recorded session. ఓకే. సో అన్ని క్లాసెస్ అన్ని నేనే చెప్పేది లైవ్‌లో చెప్తాను. బ్యాచ్ ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందంటే ఏప్రిల్ 10థ్ ఫ్రైడే నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది బ్యాచ్. ఏప్రిల్ 10థ్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. 8థ్ ఆర్ 10థ్. ఓకే. మై టీమ్ విల్ కన్ఫర్మ్ దట్. అండ్ I'm going to teach everything, and I will provide you the recorded session, materials, each and everything we have it. You don't worry. Even interview question and answers, each and everything is in website. If you go, if you try going CCNA, right, CCNA password will give you once you enroll it. So let me explain that as well. So what I'm trying to tell you is TAC is a packet level training. If you have a packet level training, right, you'll get a TAC engineer with a huge package. So here I'm providing packet level training. See, this is a lot of, oh, some packet capture is already going on. That's the issue. Let me close it. There's a lot of packet captures. So see, every day I used to teach with packet captures. Okay. So I used to teach with packet captures for the students. So that's why a lot of, uh, okay. Now, which IP is it? 163 is Flipkart, right? Okay. Is there any other packet capture? Let me close it. Okay. So Wireshark analysis is very important because a lot of people want to go cyber security. Okay. If you want to, you have to understand how the data is flowing inside the internet. After understanding the thing, then only you will go to security, right? Building కట్టకుండా security ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటాం? బిల్డింగ్ కట్టాలి ఫస్ట్. బిల్డింగ్ కట్టి గృహప్రవేశం చేసిన తర్వాత అప్పుడు సెక్యూరిటీ గార్డ్‌ని తీసుకుంటాం. ఈవెన్ ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే. డైరెక్ట్‌గా సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ పోవాలంటే నో. మార్కెట్‌లో 2 ఫేక్ థింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఫుల్ స్టాక్ డెవలపర్ అండ్ సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ. ఫ్రెషర్స్‌కి వచ్చేస్తదండి. నో రాదు. ఫ్రెషర్స్‌కి రాదు సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ. సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ మీద 1 ఇయర్ ఇంటర్న్‌షిప్ చేసి మన దగ్గర నేర్చుకొని జాబ్ కొట్టిన వాళ్ళు ఎంతో మంది ఉన్నారు. సో ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్ there is a way, one by one. You have to get a job in network engineer. At least do a job for 1 year and move cyber security tools and go for it. Understand? This is how you need to do things. Okay? Yeah. Okay. I'm wondering, IP addresses are changed here. What is happening? I'm checking. Just give me a second. Okay, not this. 90 series. This one. Like, let's open this. No, it's okay. I'll check it later. But this is a packet capture, guys. So this is a live packet capture. You know, we'll open each and every packet. What is going on? Layer 2, layer 3, layer 4 fields. We'll teach everything. Okay. So this is called packet level training. Once you complete this packet level training, you will become a tech engineer. Okay. So the easiest way to get a product based job is networking domain. So product based company lo easy ga job వస్తుందండి. ఎందుకంటే we have a lot of companies, Cisco, Palo Alto. What do you mean by product based company? Whether they have a hardware or also a software, anything. If they have a product, right, it's called a product based company. And if you join as a product based company, right, for freshers they will give you 1 lakh rupees per month. Okay, but in TCS Infosys company they will give you 25,000 to 30,000. Okay, remaining amount they will take it. So now you decide it whether you get a job in service based companies or product based companies. కొడితే గట్టిగా కొట్టాలి. సో కొడితే ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్ లోనే జాబ్ కొట్టాలి. సో దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ ట్రైనింగ్ టు యూ ఎవ్రీ వన్. ఓకే, యా. Now there is a cloud network engineer. There is no such a cloud network engineer role. So roles will be different from each and every company. It's up to them how they want to design. It's a network engineer only. It's a cloud companies, right? We have a GCP, Oracle, AWS. So cloud companies, in your cloud companies, you're working as a network engineer, they call as a cloud network engineer. That's it. And this is Amazon data center when I was working there. And this is me, guys. Lot of people are underestimating. I see so many comments. This guy is getting 1.8 LPA, 2 LPA అదొక ప్యాకేజ్ అని అంటారు. భయ ఈ కాలంలో జాబ్ రావడమే కష్టమైపోయింది. మళ్ళీ దానికో పేర్లు. ఓకే, సో రిమెంబర్ వన్ థింగ్. జాబ్, if anyone is looking for a job seriously, then only join here. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఏ జాబ్ ఫర్ స్టేటస్, మీకు బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ బాగుంది, నాకు జస్ట్ స్టేటస్ కోసమే జాబ్ కావాలి, టైం పాస్ కోసం జాబ్ కావాలంటే నో. ఇక్కడ నేను జాబ్స్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తున్నా అని చెప్పేసి బ్లైండ్గా నేను జాబ్ కోర్స్లో జాయిన్ చేయించుకోను. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ చాక్లెట్ టు గివ్ ఏ జాబ్స్. We will give you training, packet level training, everything. We will take mock interviews, we'll prepare your resumes, we'll refer to the client. In the client you need to prove yourself. So my interview chala tough untundi. We will take a very toughest interviews. Client interviews are very easy. So if you clear interviews here, you'll. So far we referred so many students. All are 100k 100%. All are, you know, got a job. Only few people already offer letter release అయిన తర్వాత, ఓకే, ఆల్రెడీ ఆఫర్ లెటర్ రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత బెటర్ ఆపర్చునిటీ రావడం వల్ల మూవ్ అయిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. ఓకే, సో పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ జాబ్ ఫర్ ఎ స్టేటస్ సింబల్, ఎస్ ప్లీజ్ డ్రాప్ ఇట్. ఓకే, అండ్ ఆల్సో డోంట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ ఎనీ ఫేక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఈవెన్ మీకు 11 years experience ఉన్నా, if you have 11 years of experience also, sorry, 11 years of career gap also, we'll set you as a fresher. Okay, please understand that. Okay, this is my journey. You may have a field jobs also. Field means you cannot travel everywhere. You can go to the office and do your job, you will come for freshers only. So I did a field job for 4 years. That time my salary was 8,000 rupees per month. After that 12,000. See, I worked in a service provider. After that I got a job in Infosys. In Infosys there is nothing to do, only entertainment, entertainment, entertainment. So 6 months I was there. There is no such a good projects for networking. I immediately joined in Juniper. Here my life has been changed. Till here I was a CCNA certified. I was a good knowledge on MPLS, very advanced technologies, but I don't know what is going on back end. Now once I joined as a tech engineer, I learned a lot. Then after I moved to Nokia. Nokia, everything is went in Corona. After that I joined in Amazon. After that Oracle. Now I'm here. So I started my journey with 8,000 rupees per month. When I was in Oracle, my package was monthly 3 lakh rupees to almost 40 LPA. That is only fixed. So product based companies will give you shares. The shares is different. Okay, shares ఉంటాయి అవి crores లో ఉంటాయి. Okay, so I don't want to tell the shares. So fixed pay, you know, IIT NIT candidates are getting a job with 2 crore rupees, 1.5 crore rupees, right? They will not get full amount. They will get fixed pay of 25 LPA, like that. Remaining all are shares. Okay, so this is my journey, where I was, where I am right now. So never ever underestimate whatever you are doing the job, right? Do it with full hearted. Okay, so please believe in yourself. Okay, నేను ఫీల్డ్ జాబ్ చేసే మా మామ ఒప్పుకోడు, మా అత్త ఒప్పుకోదు, ఫీల్డ్ జాబ్ గలీజ్గా ఉంటుంది, అట్లా కాదు. జాబ్ ఈజ్ జాబ్. Okay, please understand. In fact, if you learn, see how I got all the practical knowledge after seeing all this on live. Look at this, lot of people are doing knock engineer roles at office job. Have you seen this kind of devices, guys? ఆల్రెడీ ఇక్కడ నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, లైవ్ లో ఎన్నిసార్లు మీరు వెళ్ళి చూసారు, ఎన్నిసార్లు పట్టుకున్నారు, ఎన్నిసార్లు చేశారు ఇది? Have you got a hands on experience on these devices,
No, sir.
right?
No, sir. No,
Yeah.
sir.
So if you have a hands-on experience, then only your life can be changed. So freshers, I'm telling about to all the freshers here. Okay. So please, if you get a job, whether it is a field or not, right? So get rid of fresher tag. After working hard for 1 year, your life will be changed. I'm telling you. Okay. So now I told you, right, for freshers, minimum 2.5 to 4.5 LPA, and for experience it is completely depends on your skill. 2 years of experience candidate got 16 LPA in our in Juniper tag. One of my students, you can see the success stories in YouTube. So her name is Uma. Okay, like that there is a lot of people. So for experienced candidates it is completely depends on your skill set. Okay, and now I will provide you the Juniper and Cisco certification, global certification. If you wanted to do it, we'll refer you, we'll teach you. But Juniper certification, we give you 100% pass. Recently, one of my student also cleared a CCNA, but it is $370, right? So it will be risky. So that's why Juniper is just $55 after discount. How much of discount? $155 of discount they will give you. Okay, so you can do a Juniper certification just $50. So it is a 3 years validity. You'll get come from HP Juniper itself. So recently, lot of people are passed. So because the certification is about to end, so JNCIA, we have a batch C today. He passed the exam. What is the date today? April 4th, right? So yesterday he got 88. He passed it. So lot of students are passing the exam. So this guy also passed April 4th. Okay. So these are the recent people. April 5th. It means today 5:10 a.m. Today only they pass the exams. These all are the students who pass the exam just 2-3 days before. Okay, so you will pass the exam by your own, guys. Okay, outside certifications, how they will do? They will do certifications by giving money. Yes or no? Experienced candidates, అవునా కదా? ఓన్గా ఎవరైనా
Yes,
రాస్తున్నారు
sir.
సర్టిఫికేషన్? నో. బట్ ఇక్కడ నేను అది ఎంకరేజ్ చేయను. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ జెన్యూన్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఏ ఎగ్జామ్ బై యువర్ ఓన్. అలా ఆ లెవెల్లో ట్రైనింగ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, కొంచెం లేట్ అయినా గట్టిగా ట్రైనింగ్ ఇస్తాం. ఓకేనా? యా. సో నా నైట్ షిఫ్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్, నైట్ షిఫ్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. అండ్ నౌ జస్ట్ 5 minutes, ఎవరెవరు ఏ కోర్స్ తీసుకోవాలనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీవన్, దిస్ ఈస్ అ టైమ్ టు చెక్ ఇట్, విచ్ కోర్స్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు టేక్. Please understand, this internship is designed as per the company requirement right now. Go on mute, please. Go on mute. This is very important. So we are providing CCNA advanced training. It means we'll teaching everything at packet level. In CCNA, there is no BGP, but BGP is very important. It's Internet Protocol. We are giving a CCNA advanced training, which includes monitoring tools. No one giving outside. We are giving monitoring tools training, like exactly when you get a job, what exactly you will do. We are teaching here with live tickets. So how tickets you will get, troubleshooting, everything we will teach you in CCNA Advance. Okay, this fresher internship is consist of CCNA Advance, which includes everything, even wireless. Wireless is very important, and also here we are providing hands-on experience on all these devices. If you mention these devices on your resume will be shortlisted. if you mention. So that's why we prepare a resume. So freshers, whatever the projects you do on your college, right? You are not mentioning that. ఆ ప్రాజెక్టులు దేనికి పనికిరావు. ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ అవునా? ఎక్కడైనా యూజ్ అయినాయా మనం చేసిన బీటెక్ ప్రాజెక్టులు? చెప్పండి.
No.
నో.
Yes.
ఎంతో
No, sir.
ఎంతో కష్టపడి బైండింగ్లు చేసి ఏదో చేసి కష్టపడతాం కానీ సో దిస్ ఇండియన్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ ఈజ్ ఎ షిట్. 16 years కష్టపడి చదివితే కానీ జాబ్ రావట్లే. మళ్ళీ ఇలా కోర్సులు నేర్చుకోవాలా, జాబ్ తెచ్చుకోవాలా? ఏమన్నా పద్ధతేనా? ఆలోచిస్తున్నారా? సో ఈ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమ్ ఎలా ఉందో సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు టెల్ యువర్ జూనియర్స్ ఆల్సో లర్న్ జాబ్ ఓరియంటెడ్ స్కిల్స్, నాట్ థియరిటికల్ స్కిల్స్. ఓకే, ఈ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సిస్టమే మారాలా. సో నేనేంటంటే అట్లీస్ట్ ఇక్కడనన్నా నేను ఐ వాంట్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ ఏ ప్రాక్టికల్ స్కిల్స్. ఓకే, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ హియర్. Wireless, Cisco Meraki, and all these devices hands-on experience with Juniper training and AWS, Linux for networking, very important. ఎక్కడ పోయినా Linux కావాలి కంపల్సరిగా. మన నెట్వర్కింగ్ లో ఎంతవరకు యూజ్ అవుతుందో అంతవరకు. ఓకే, అండ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ స్కిల్స్ ట్రైనింగ్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్రీ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. ఓకే, so how many times you want to join it? So we provide communication skills training. Okay, so monitoring tools, ticketing tools, and we are giving a free cloud access. So lab access system, critical projects ki lab access system. Aruba. So we are introducing Aruba. Aruba is a HP product. Everywhere they are using Aruba. Aruba wireless, Aruba switches. So Cisco, Juniper, Aruba, multi-vendor knowledge I am giving you. It's a high demanding skills outside. Just check it. Cisco, Juniper, Aruba. If you have this skill set, easily you will get job. Including monitoring tools and ticketing tools. Please understand, this is a job oriented internship program. So 2 months 15 days ఉంటుంది. క్లాసెస్ అన్ని ఆన్లైన్ లో ఉంటాయి. ఆన్లైన్ లో క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు ఆఫ్లైన్ అండ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ దేర్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్స్, దేర్ హ్యాండింగ్ ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్, దే విల్ హెల్ప్ యూ to complete all. So they will also will give you training on offline one more time. Okay, so we have a very good team. There are 18 network engineers, they will help you. So fresher internship, please take fresher internship program. So who we call fresher internship? So freshers and your term, people who are doesn't do any job, we are calling freshers. Also people who are working, if they don't have pay slips and relieving letter, you call as a freshers only. We don't create any pay slips and relieving letters. ఈవెన్ మీరు వర్క్ చేసినా కూడా ఇఫ్ యూ వర్క్ ఆల్రెడీ, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ప్రాపర్ ప్రూఫ్స్, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ప్రాపర్ ప్రూఫ్స్, యు ఆర్ ఎ ఫ్రెషర్ ఓన్లీ. ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్, వీ డోంట్ క్రియేట్ ఎనీథింగ్. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఏ రిలీవింగ్ లెటర్ అండ్ బ్యాంక్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్, సో పే స్లిప్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ డజంట్ నో, ఇట్స్ ఓకే. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఏ పే స్లిప్స్ and relieving letter, it is good. Okay, so yeah, so people who are in remotely, right, in US, don't worry, we are using GNS3 tool. This is an enterprise project. See, look at this, we use GNS3 tool. Whatever the operating systems we use in real world devices, we are adding here and practicing here. Okay, so the live operating system we are practicing here, we are using here. Example, look at this. So this is a tool. I'm going to log in one of my company router. So what is my company router? This is my company router. See, I'm logging in my company router. Okay, so this is my live company router. Okay, see, so this is my company router. See the commands. So this is my live company router. Show version, if you see, right, what is the router? It is Cisco 4331 router. You see here, Cisco 4 ISR, integrated service router, Cisco 4331 router. This is a lab device. See, I'm logging into the lab device. So lab device and real device. Okay, this is a lab device and this is a real device. Okay, so see, this is a lab device, Airtel. Show version. So the commands, everything is same. So this is a lab device, 7200 series. It is a 4311 series. Look at this. Is there anything different? The commands are, everything is same. See, show IP interface brief. See, everything is same. Everything is same. So we are not using Cisco packet tracer. We are using GNS3. the real device operating system we are grabbing here and practicing it. Okay, so that you will get a real hands-on experience. And people who are working remotely, who are there in remotely, don't worry, I'm taking a hardware training as well. Okay, so in fresher internship, we have a two internship programs. One is core internship, like fresher, completely technical. If people already know Python, whoever already know Python, they can choose automation internship. Freshers advanced internship. Okay, go on mute, please. Fresher advanced internship. So this is very important. Okay, lot of people are CSC background, right? Hello, anyone from CSC background
Sir, your
here?
voice not audible.
Can you hear me now? Can you
Not
hear
audible.
me? Can you? Yeah,
Yeah, now, okay.
yeah. So people who already know Python very well, people, because a lot of people are taking a Python courses outside, they can choose this fresher advanced internship. This will be very helpful for them to get a job. So automation, real guys, next network engineers who are there, right? They need to learn automation. Automation is everything now. Anyhow, okay. So in fresher, we have a two internship program. If you don't know Python, if you don't like coding, take this. If you know coding, take this. Okay. So yeah, the internship of this fresher internship, right? 2 months, 15 days. This is also, I think this is 3 months, 15 days. Okay, advanced internship for freshers. Okay, in freshers you have two internships. If you like coding, take advanced. If you don't like coding, take fresher internship. Okay, which consists of multi-vendor, Cisco, Aruba, Juniper. Okay, now for experienced candidates, non-technical people. So చాలా మందికి డౌట్ ఉంటుందన్నా, I'm working in non-technical. No problem. Lot of people working as a US HR recruiter and salesman. All I need is pay slips and relieving letters. Forget about designation. No one look for designation. If you join in any Infosys company or anywhere, they will give you system engineer role. It could be a software engineer, it could be a network engineer, it could be anything. So designation doesn't matter. Your relieving letters, pay slips are matter. So in BGC, they will check whether you are a employee of that company or not. That's it. They will check you are the employee of that company or not. That's it. Okay, so here we will give you projects, live projects. So roles and responsibilities, everything you are doing internship here. So I will give you projects. The advantage of networking is, in even if you are a non-IT company, you have a network engineers. Yes or no? In anyone non-IT people are here? Anyone non-IT background people?
Yes, sir.
So you have a
Yes, sir.
IT team, right? You have a IT team, your company, right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
yes.
Yes,
So
yes,
I will
yes.
give you those projects. I will give you those projects. You need to prove in technical interview. టెక్నికల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో మీరు ప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలి అంతే, ఏముండదు. ఓకే, సో నాన్ ఐటీ ఐటీ అని మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాం అంతే. ఎన్వైర్న్మెంట్లో ఐటీ నాన్ ఐటీ ఉండదు, అంతా ఐటీనే. నాన్ ఐటీ ఐటీ అట్లా ఉండవు. సో మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్న కీవర్డ్స్ ఇవి. ఓకే, ప్రతి డిపార్ట్మెంట్లో ఐటీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది. ఈవెన్ హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళినా కూడా ఐటీ ఉంటుంది. సర్వర్ రూమ్ ఉంటుంది, సీసీ కెమెరాస్ అన్ని కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి. సో ప్లీజ్ అండర్స్టాండ్, పీపుల్ ఆర్ మిస్లీడింగ్ యూ. Okay, so if you have a proper letters, proofs, how many years of experience doesn't matter, how many companies, if you work 4 companies, 5 companies, doesn't matter. I will give you all the projects, 5 projects I will give you. All the projects we will give you, will train you, everything. It includes CCNA, JNCA, AWS, Linux and real time projects. This is very important. Ticketing tools, monitoring tools, scenario based question and answers, each and everything. Okay, yeah. So the courses will be one by one. First CCNA should be completed, తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ అట్లా వన్ బై వన్ కోర్సు మీకు చెప్తాం. మీరు అవైలబుల్ ఉంటే జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు, లేదంటే నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఇట్స్ అప్ టు యూ. ఓకే, వెన్ ఎవర్ ద కోర్సెస్ ఆర్ స్టార్టెడ్ విల్ టెల్ యూ. సో వన్ బై వన్ విల్ టీచ్ యూ, నాట్ parallel. Okay, yeah. Some people want to complete advance, so that we'll give you real time recorded sessions also. So suppose CCNA daily 1 hour of class. So daily 1 hour, right? Some people want to learn, they have time, they want to complete fast. So we will give you previous class recorded sessions. You can watch fast and you can contact my team. My team is available. They will help you with your queries. So morning 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. my team is available. And also in US also, US hours also, my team is available for only US people. Okay, so I have a team in US, they will help you for US people as well. Okay, so yeah, so for non-IT people, please take this course. Okay, non-IT experienced candidate internship. So non-IT to IT internship. Please understand non-IT means non-networking. Non-IT means non-networking. Non-networking. Even if you're a software developer, it is a non-networking, right? So that's why we call non-IT. Even if you're working at IT only, so that just name I mentioned as a non-IT doesn't mean you're a non-IT. Okay, now? So please understand that. So people who don't have any knowledge on networking, experienced candidates, 1% కూడా networking knowledge లేకపోతే take this. Okay, and now people who are having experience in networking, please take core internship, core IT internship without automation. So if you don't like coding, take core internship. It consists of CCNA, CCNP, AWS, Aruba, JNCI, Linux, everything. So this will give you minimum 100 to 200% of hike, and it's a lifetime access, and you can grow like that. Okay, recently my students, they got 400% hike also directly in product based company because of these skills. Skill does matter. Okay, now people who interested in a Python, right, they can take this, and it's a 5 months of duration. So automation is very important. In data center there are lakhs of devices. So when I was working in a data center, right, there's a minimum 90,000, 1 lakh devices. How to configure all those devices manually? It is not possible. It will take a lot of time. So automation can do that. Within fraction of seconds, it can configure hundreds of devices. Okay. Yeah. So this is a process, guys. Please understand hiring process, important documents. You should have a proper pay slips, bank statements, offer letter, and relieving letter. Then only you will be considered as a experienced candidates. Otherwise, you are a fresher. Career gap doesn't matter. I have a clients. మా internship కంప్లీట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మా ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ మీరు మెన్షన్ చేస్తే you will get a jobs. Okay, you see, right, recently 11 years of career gap, 10 years of career gap, 5 years of career gap, they'll get it. It is only possible in networking domain because now you know the technology. ఎందుకు పాసిబుల్? అవునా? మీ కళ్ళ ముందే చూపించా ఇంటర్నెట్ ఎలా పనిచేస్తుంది అని. So now everywhere we have internet, everywhere we have a jobs. The beauty of networking is we have a jobs from low level to high level. Okay, yeah. Without, no, it is 3 months. With see here clearly. With internship with Python, right, it's 5 months. Without Python, it is 3 months 15 days. Without automation, it is 3 months 15 days. Again, I'm telling you, if you're a career gap student, doesn't matter, take fresher internship. Some people have an experience, had a career gap, doesn't matter. Okay, you have a 2 years of experience, after that you have a career gap, no problem, no problem at all. Okay, so please choose internship widely. And one more thing I want to address is overlap, PF overlap. సో పిఎఫ్ ఓవర్లాప్ ఉంటే నేనేం చేయలేను, నేనేం చేస్తాను, ఏం చేయలేను. కానీ దెర్ ఇస్ ఎ వే టు టెల్ టు ద కంపెనీ. 1 month ఓవర్లాప్, మాక్సిమం 1 month ఉంటే కంపెనీస్ కెన్ యాక్సెప్ట్ ఇట్. You can tell the answer genuinely. Okay, so they extend it. So I was talking to my company, they will remove it. So guys, no company will check your PF status. Only, you have to share your screen and you have to show. That is completely illegal. Only the service based companies, they will do. Very low, very few companies. Even if you want to show it. If you see any overlaps, right, if they ask, tell them genuinely. So they already giving a review letter, but they did not update it properly. So for 1 month, okay, but if it is 2 months, 3 months, it is called moonlight. You're working in two organizations, so that cannot be accepted. Okay, so 1 month. So 1 month is fine. More than 1 month is not fine for PF overlaps. Understand? And again, I'm telling you, freshers who are not working anywhere, you are freshers. Who are working, doesn't have any payslips, bank statements, you are a fresher only. Okay, and remaining all people, even if you have a 1 year proofs, right, that will be work. We will convert everything into networking. Okay, non-IT people don't have any issues. I will give you projects. Even experienced candidates, you don't mention your current roles and responsibilities. I will give you that. I will give you the critical things, critical complex roles and responsibilities. Okay, this is all about it. And the thing is, Fee. What is the fee of fresher internship? Everything you will see in website, and ask my team. I don't know about fees. I'm not the person. I'm the technical guy. So I deal with the projects. I deal with the things. Okay. If you want to take only CCNA, take it. Okay. See, if you want to take only CCNA, take it. No problem. Inquire it. See, industry standards prakaram, I designed this course. That's why you're seeing a lot of offer letters. They are following my instructions, they are getting jobs. Okay. Whatever I'm telling, right? Cross check in ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT or ask someone. Okay. Yeah. So even in colleges also you have a campus networking. Lot of my people are working as an assistant professor, right? So in your college you have a departments, each and every department you have a switches, you have a computers. I will give you campus architecture. So recently, so in Hyderabad there is a one engineering college, there are 3 women, they joined here, they are getting entry calls. Okay. So these are the training, this is the training only we are providing. So core IT internship is including of what? CCN, core IT internship including CCNA, CCNP, AWS, Aruba, JNCA, everything. So SD-WAN we haven't started. It will take 1 more month. SD-WAN ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ అవ్వదు, 1 month worth. Okay. You must understand CCNA, CCNP. Guys, please understand. This is not a CCNA training. It's a CCIE level training. Okay. So I'm telling you, please understand whatever the profession you have, desktop support engineer, salesperson, whatever it is, you should have a proof of your working. Okay. So desktop support engineers is little related to the networking only, they can take core internship. Okay. Now that's all for today. Now you can ask your questions. Okay. Anyone having any questions, please unmute and talk.
హలో సార్.
Yeah.
సార్ నా పేరు రోహిత్.
Okay, Rohit, చెప్పండి Rohit.
సార్ నేను లాస్ట్ 5 years నుంచి విప్రో విప్రోలో క్లయింట్ విప్రో సార్, పేరోల్ డిఫరెంట్ కంపెనీ.
Okay.
హెచ్సిఎల్ లో పేరోల్, హెచ్సిఎల్ డైరెక్ట్ కంపెనీ త్రూ వర్క్ చేసా.
Okay.
హలో. అండ్
వింటున్నా,
కేపీఎంజీలో కూడా చేసా సార్. డెస్క్టాప్ సపోర్ట్ గా, అనలిస్ట్ గా, నెక్స్ట్ ఐటీ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ గా, ఇప్పుడు ఎంఎస్ఎన్ ల్యాబొరేటరీస్ లో చేస్తున్నా సార్ ప్రజెంట్.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
రీసెంట్ గా జాయిన్ అయ్యా, 1 month అయింది. అది ఐటీ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ గా ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ అయ్యా, కానీ ఫార్మా సంబంధించి కార్పొరేట్ ఆఫీసులు ఇస్తామన్నారు. వాళ్ళు
ఓకే.
ఏం చేశారంటే నాకు ఫార్మా మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ కంపెనీ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్, దాంట్లో నాకు ప్లేస్ చేశారు.
ఓకే. నో ప్రాబ్లమ్. సో యు ఆర్ ఎ నాన్ ఐటీ గై, రైట్? యు డోంట్ నో నెట్వర్కింగ్, రైట్?
లేదు సార్, నేను అర్థం కాలేదు సార్.
మీరు నెట్వర్కింగా లేకుంటే నాన్ నెట్వర్కింగా? నెట్వర్కింగ్ స్కిల్స్ ఉన్నాయా మీరు చేసిన వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లో?
ఆ, ఉన్నాయి సార్. డెస్క్టాప్ గా చేసా, నెక్స్ట్ ఐటీకి సంబంధించి టెక్నికల్ సపోర్ట్ ఇంజనీర్ గా, డెస్క్టాప్ సపోర్ట్ ఇంజనీర్ గా.
డెస్క్టాప్ సపోర్ట్ కాదండి, రౌటర్ స్విచెస్, రౌటింగ్ ప్రోటోకాల్, స్విచింగ్ ప్రోటోకాల్స్ ఇట్లా వర్క్ చేశారా?
లేదు లేదు సార్, లేదు సార్.
లేదు కదా. యా. సో సో యూ కెన్ టేక్ కోర్ ఐటీ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ నాన్ ఐటీ, ఇట్స్ అప్ టు యూ. So if you want to learn advanced level also, you can take experienced candidate core IT. Or else if you don't know anything about networking, IP address ante ento తెలియకపోతే కూడా you can take non IT. If you have basic fundamentals of networking, you can take core IT.
సార్
Okay.
నెట్వర్కింగ్ సంబంధించి నాకు ఐడియా ఉంది సార్.
Yeah, then
అంటే మరి
you can take core IT. Okay.
ఓకే
So
ఓకే
5
సార్.
years experience ఉన్నారు, core IT తీసుకోండి. Okay. So CCNP I'm combining everything, Encore and service provider and data center. You can check the syllabus in website. Guys, you can check every syllabus in website. If you want to check the syllabus of CCNA, click on CCNA, check it. If you want to check the CCNP, this is a industry level training. ఇక్కడ ఎన్కోర్ అని రాసానే కానీ, but you will see a lot of things. A service, this is MPLS is service provider. I will teach. See, అవసరమైన టెక్నాలజీస్ నేర్చుకోవాలి, ఇంపార్టెంట్ టెక్నాలజీస్, వాట్ ఈస్ డిమాండింగ్. ఐ కంబైన్డ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ ఐ క్రియేటెడ్ మై ఓన్ వే అండ్ ఐ గివింగ్ దిస్ all technology training. Okay. So diploma students also eligible, diploma also mini degree. My manager was a diploma candidate, he was earning in crores. Okay. Lot of diploma students after 10th class, right? Diploma is also a degree. Okay. Yes, in IT domain we have it. Okay. Yeah, the fee details. Please understand the fee details. I don't know about fees. Please don't ask me. Please contact these numbers. I'm going to provide you all the contact details. Please contact my team. All the contact details I'm providing in here. Contact them and ask them. So first is contact these guys. Who? Front end team, enrollment team. We have an enrollment team, right? How many members we have? 4 members. So please call them and ask them about fee. They will explain it. Or else go to the fee structure and here there will be. So here you see the fee structure. What is the amount? Okay. You see something amount is there right here. Please go there and explore it. Okay. This is all about fee. You understand? Go here in the fee structure. Okay. I'm giving website of here and ask them. For any discounts, please ask my team only. I don't know about the discounts also. If they're any giving any discounts, please take it. నాకు క్లాస్లో జనాలు ఎంతమంది ఉంటే అంతమందికి నేను టీచ్ చెప్తాను అంతే. సో మినిమం క్వాలిఫికేషన్ ఈజ్ ఎనీ డిగ్రీ, ఓకే, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఎనీ డిప్లొమా. ఓకే, యా. సో ప్లీజ్, okay, take a
Hello.
internship
Hello.
programs according to your requirement. Yeah.
Hello.
Hey,
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
hello.
Sir, hi sir. Good morning. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
సార్ నా పేరు రాజేష్, నేను వైజాగ్ నుంచి కాల్ చేస్తున్నాను.
Okay.
హలో
Yeah,
సార్,
చెప్పండి
ఇప్పుడు
చెప్పండి రాజేష్. Yeah.
డిగ్రీ పర్ష్యూయింగ్ అవుతుంది, అంటే ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ నేను.
Okay.
లాస్ట్ సెమ్ ఒకటే ఉంది.
It's right
ఇప్పుడు
time.
నేను
Fresher internship. It's a right time.
ప్రశ్న సార్, నేను
Yeah.
సిసిఎన్ఏ బెటరా లేదంటే జూనిపర్ బెటరా సార్?
Man, I explain everything. You can search your own way. So I told you to take a fresher internship. Fresher internship consists of everything. Okay. You can
సార్,
see, right?
ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి సార్.
Huh? What
హలో
is that? Huh?
సార్, ఇంకా ఫైనల్ ఇయర్ అంటే ఇంకా ఒక సెమిస్టర్ ఉంటుంది సార్, అంటే ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ ఉంటాయా, అవుతుందా?
నీకు డిగ్రీ వచ్చినాక అవుతుంది భయ్య. డిగ్రీ కంపల్సరీ ఉండాలి. డిగ్రీ లేకుండా ఎవడు జాబ్ ఇవ్వడు మనకి. కాబట్టి డిగ్రీ కంప్లీట్ అవ్వాలి. ఏమంటే మీరు ఇప్పటి నుంచే నేర్చుకున్నారంటే అప్పుడు లోపల రెడీ అయిపోతారు. ఓకే.
ఓకే.
యా.
ఓకే సార్.
Degree is mandatory.
హలో,
Any
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
graduation is mandatory. Okay. And one more thing, in my class there may be 100 members, there may be a 80 members or 70 members. The count doesn't matter. I'm here. It is not a 1 hour based classes. 1 hour class to the remaining anta మీ డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫై అయ్యేంత వరకు ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఇట్ అండ్ ఐ ఎగ్జిట్ ఇట్. ఓకే. ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ ఏ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. 1 hour తర్వాత పరిగెత్తడం ఉండదు. వాళ్ళకి 1 hour బేసిస్ చార్జ్ చేసేస్తారు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్. Okay. So how many people in the batch doesn't matter. I will explain everything
Hello.
and I'll
Hello.
guys.
Hey, hey, Ramesh, I have a quick
Hello, sir.
question for you.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. So, hello.
Yeah, Sat, please go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah. First of all, like, thank you for explaining each and everything. So, especially like interested in JNCIA track with
Okay.
for the strong focus on Juniper configuration lab.
Okay.
So, which one do you suggest to me, like,
You're a
to take
fresher
that?
or experienced?
I'm experienced.
Okay. If you want to learn technically, right, I would suggest you to take core IT internship, which includes everything, packet level training.
But thing is that I have only like 3 weeks of experience as a network security engineer, but I don't have much experience to be honest.
No problem. No problem. Take core IT. I'll teach from scratch. So are you in US or somewhere else?
I'm in US right now.
Yeah, I understand how things went. Okay. So maybe how much of experience you kept?
To be honest, like 8 years of experience.
So no problem. So I will give you all the projects. So take core IT internship. I will teach from scratch. Okay.
Okay,
I will
so
teach
I
from
just want
scratch. Yeah.
right now what I'm doing in my company, like they are morely like concentrated on Juniper switches. So I just want
Yeah.
to learn in Juniper.
Take CCNA Juniper. That is good. Okay. So
Okay,
in
okay,
CCNA, concepts are all are same. Try to understand everyone. Concepts are
okay,
same. The commands only the different. In Juniper, you did not get much concepts. JNCIA.
yeah,
Okay. Take combination of
yeah.
CCNA and Juniper. That will work for you. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Sounds good. Sounds
yeah, yeah.
సార్ CCNA కి ఎంతవరకు ఉంటుంది?
హాయ్ సార్,
హలో
రమేష్ సార్.
హరి
హలో.
చెప్పండి, హరి చెప్పండి హరి.
సార్ CCNA కి CCNP కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంతవరకు అని చెప్తారా?
CCNA అంటే అసోసియేట్ లెవెల్, CCNP అంటే ప్రొఫెషనల్ లెవెల్, ఇంకా అడ్వాన్స్ టెక్నాలజీస్ వస్తాయి. ఆ సిలబస్ అంతా మీరు వెబ్సైట్ లో ఉంటుంది, ఒకసారి చూడొచ్చు. ఓకే, CCNA
హలో
మీన్స్
సార్,
అసోసియేట్ లెవెల్.
హలో హలో సార్.
సార్
One
అది
second, guys, one by one, guys, please understand. We are a professionals, right? One by one. He is talking, right? So, Hari, you got the clear picture, Hari?
సార్
Remaining
ఆఫ్టర్ CCNA తీసుకున్న తర్వాత మనం సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్. హలో సార్.
yeah, it's up to you,
హలో.
Hari. If you want to take service provider, you can take. If you want to take Encore, you can take. But here I'm combining everything: service provider and enterprise and data center. I'm
కాదు
combining
సార్,
all.
ఆఫ్టర్ CCNA తీసుకున్న తర్వాత సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్ మన బ్యాక్ టీమ్ ఉంటుంది. బ్యాక్ ఇంజనీర్ వాటికి వెళ్తే మనం ఇంకా మన ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గెయిన్ అవుద్ది కదా అంటున్నాను సార్. నెట్వర్కింగ్
అర్థం కాలే,
బాగుంటుంది నెక్స్ట్
మళ్ళీ
ఫ్యూచర్.
చెప్పు, మళ్ళీ చెప్పు.
CCNA తీసుకున్న తర్వాత మనకి ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ ప్రొవైడర్ లో జియో కానీ ఇలా కానీ బ్యాక్ టీమ్ ఉంటుంది సార్. బ్యాక్ వాటి కింద వెళ్తే మనకి నెట్వర్కింగ్ డేటా సెంటర్ వెళ్తాకి ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పని చేద్దా, యూజ్ అవుద్దా?
ఆ డేటా సెంటర్ గా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ యూస్ అవుతా ఏంది? ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఏం వర్క్ చేస్తున్నావు?
అంటే ప్రెజెంట్ నేను ప్రీవియస్ నాకులో చేశాను సార్.
ఓకే,
ప్రెజెంట్ CCNA తీసుకుని మనం ఇంటర్నెట్ సర్వీస్
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్
ప్రొవైడర్లు
ఆల్
ఉంటాయి కదా సార్, జియో.
ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. నేను చెప్తా నువ్వు ఏం తీసుకోవాలనేది నాకు తెలిసింది. ఫస్ట్ మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చెప్పండి,
సరే,
దాన్ని బట్టి నేను గైడ్ చేస్తా.
నేను నాకులో చేశాను సార్ 3.5 years నాకులో.
ఓకే, ఓకే,
నేను CCNA తీసుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నాను.
ఓకే. CCNA
తీసుకున్న
cannot
తర్వాత
work out.
నాకు
CCNA cannot work out for experienced candidates.
అంటే
CCNA,
ప్రెజెంట్ బేసిక్స్ అనేది.
no, only CCNA cannot work out. CCNA with real-time projects, please take it. Okay, minimum
ఓకే.
CCNA plus real-time projects is required. Take it, and
ఓకే.
yeah. So my training is a core IT training, core networking. If after
ఓకే.
completion of this, you can, if you want to go to service provider, you need to learn CCNP, like MPLS technologies, like BGP advanced with communities, and MPLS L2 VPN, L3 VPN, VPLS. You have to learn these
ఓకే.
technologies to enter into the ISP. If you want to work in ISP environment, like you can work
సో
with a Geo or Airtel core team. Okay, like ASR 9Ks, ASR 90, 920, 903 devices. These are the ISP devices, you can work on it. Okay, if you want to move, CCNA, CCNP is minimum mandatory. Okay, yeah,
ఓకే.
yeah.
తర్వాత సార్ ఆఫ్టర్ తర్వాత మనం ESP చేసిన తర్వాత డేటా సెంటర్ సైడ్ కూడా వెళ్ళొచ్చు కదా సార్, ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్
So
లో యూజ్ అవుతుంది.
try to understand, man. Data center, service provider, enterprise, these are the architectures. All these architectures, you are using routers, the technologies are same. Only you will see little protocols. In data center, you will see VXLAN, EVPN technologies, and little technologies will add it. But maximum the core, whatever I'm giving, right, you can go to anywhere. Look at this. My engineers, after taking this, right, see, they joined in a data center engineer. Have you seen SVN Tech? These guys are data center engineer, networking, cloud infrastructure engineer. There is a lot of people. See, Geo, in Geo also service provider they join. TAC engineers. My training is a high level training. Once you completion of this training, right, you can go to these many roles. NOC engineer, TAC engineer, service provider, data center, anywhere you can go. Understand, brother?
ఓకే. ఐ హావ్ నేను చూస్ చేసుకోవాల్సింది CCNA విత్ CCNP ప్లస్ రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్.
Fantastic, Hari.
ఓకే సార్.
Okay.
హలో సార్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
హలో సార్.
Yeah, hi, Andy.
హలో సార్.
Yeah, hi, Andy.
మై నేమ్ ఇస్ దరియా సార్.
Okay.
నాది 2011 పాస్డ్ అవుట్ సార్. చాలా
Okay.
కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ ఉంది నాకు.
Okay, Andy.
నేను కాకపోతే ఇక్కడ నాది గుంటూరు సార్.
Okay.
నేను ఇక్కడ సెక్రటరేట్ ఉంది కదా సార్, సచివాలయం
అవునండి.
అమరావతి.
Yeah.
దాంట్లో చేస్తా ఉంటాను సార్.
ఓకే. పే స్లిప్స్ ఏమైనా
నాకేం
జనరేట్ అవుతాయండి మీకు?
లేదు సార్, నాకేం లేదు
ఓహ్
సార్.
మై గాడ్. ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు నేను అది ఫ్రెషర్ కింద నాకేమైనా పాసిబుల్
మీరు
ఉంటుంది సార్?
అవుట్‌సోర్సింగా మీరు చేస్తుంది?
అవును సార్.
ఐ
అవుట్‌సోర్సింగ్ సార్.
అండర్‌స్టాండ్. నేను ట్రెజరీలో వర్క్
అది
చేస్తానండి.
ఎలాగా అది అంటే ఐయామ్ మ్యారీడ్ సార్ నేను.
యాహ్!
ఇప్పుడు అది ఎలాగా నేను ఫ్రెషర్ కింద ఎలాగెళ్ళొచ్చు సార్? ఏ
ఎళ్ళొచ్చు.
కోర్స్ తీసుకుంటే
ఫ్రెషర్
నాకు
కింద
ప్రిఫరబుల్
ఎళ్ళొచ్చండి.
ఉంటుంది?
ఫ్రెషర్ కింద ఎళ్ళొచ్చు.
ఆ!
మినిమమ్ స్టార్టింగ్‌లోనే ₹15,000 మినిమమ్ ఉంటది సాలరీ. 15,000.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్.
అది మీకు ఓకే
ఓకే సార్.
అయితే యూ కెన్ జాయిన్. ముందే చెప్తున్నాను. ఓకే. మనం
ఓకే
ఫేక్
సార్.
పెట్టి ఏం
ఎలా
పెట్టి
ఉంటుంది
వెళ్ళాం.
సార్?
మీకు 15,000
ఏజ్
రూపీస్
ఎలా సార్?
స్టార్టింగ్ సాలరీ వస్తుంది. ఏజ్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్, కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ డజంట్ మ్యాటర్. ఓకే.
ఓకే సార్. ఏ కోర్స్ అయితే బాగుంటుంది సార్?
ఓన్ली क्लास
సో
दौड़ता
మీరు
है तो
CCNA
पूछो तो
తీసుకోండి.
पूछता हूँ
CCNA
CCNA సార్.
తీసుకోండి. యా యా.
గ్రోత్ ఉంటుంది సార్ తర్వాత ఇది.
ఏంటండి?
అది తర్వాత మనకి గ్రోత్ ఉంటుంది కదా సార్ దాంట్లో అది?
ఇప్పుడు నన్ను చూసారు కదండి, నేను 13.5 ఇయర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లో ఎంత గ్రోత్ లేకుండా.
అదే
ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, మీకు అన్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తా, విన్నారా? ఇంటర్నెట్ లేకుండా ఎక్కడ ఏం పని
क्या अभी
చేయలేదు.
आवाज करो माँ
ఓకే.
విన్నా సార్.
సో ఐ వర్క్డ్ ఇన్
ఓకే సార్.
ట్రెజరీ డిపార్ట్మెంట్. ఓకే. ఐ వర్క్డ్ ఇన్ దట్
ఓకే సార్.
డిపార్ట్మెంట్. ఓకే. సో యా,
ఓకే సార్.
దిస్ ఈస్ మై గ్రోత్ వేర్ ఐ వాస్ 8,000 నుంచి
ఓకే.
మంత్లీ 3 lakhs. దట్ ఈస్ అ గ్రోత్. లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ వర్కింగ్. సో గ్రోత్ గ్రోత్ లేకుంటే ఇంతమందికి జాబ్స్ ఎందుకు వస్తాయండి ఇక్కడ? అవునా?
ఆ,
వి హ్యావ్ ఏ లాట్ ఆఫ్ గ్రోత్. ఓకే.
సార్
యా.
ఇది ఎన్ని మంత్స్ సార్ కోర్స్? 3
ఇది
మంత్స్ సార్?
45 డేస్ ఉంటుందండి.
ఆఫ్టర్ ఏమన్నా మనకి ప్లేస్మెంట్
ఎస్.
చూపిస్తారు సార్?
మీరు మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ క్లియర్ చేయాలి. ఎవ్రీ వీక్ మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ తీసుకుంటారు. మా టీం మీతో ఫాలో అప్ చేస్తుంది, ల్యాబ్స్ చేశారా
అదే
లేదా అని. సో
అదే
మీరు
సార్.
మీరు డైలీ చెప్పించేయాలి. మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ క్లియర్ చేస్తే మాకు మేమే రెఫర్ చేస్తాం కంపెనీస్ కి.
అంటే మేము గుంటూరులో ఉంటాం సార్. ప్రజెంట్
సో
మనకి
విజయవాడలో
లోకల్
ఓపెన్ చేస్తాం
విజయవాడ.
ఆఫీస్. నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ ఫస్ట్ వీక్ లోపల ఓపెన్ చేస్తామండి విజయవాడలో.
అదే సార్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడానికి వెళ్ళాలి.
యా 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 1 month లో ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది ఆఫీస్ అక్కడ. యా.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకేనా?
సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ
యా యా.
ఓకే
సార్ మీ దగ్గర విండోస్ సర్వర్ ఉందా సార్?
सर
No,
मैं
I-
सर अब्दुल रहमान
సర్వర్
सर
లేదు, విండోస్ సర్వర్ లేవు. ఐ హ్యావ్ ఏ లైనెక్స్ సర్వర్స్.
हेलो
ఓకే
सर
సార్.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर माई सेल्फ
afternoon.
अब्दुल रहमान
యా రెహమాన్, చెప్పండి రెహమాన్.
సార్ యాక్చువల్గా నాది లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ ఎంబీఏ అయిపోయింది. నేను ఇందులో CCNA లో జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చా సార్?
అవ్వచ్చండి.
ఇందులో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత 45 డేస్ అంటే ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసులే చెప్తారా సార్? దాని తర్వాత మేము ఐ మీన్ కర్నూలుకి వెళ్ళి ప్రాక్టికల్ ల్యాబ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా సార్?
మీ బ్రాంచ్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉందో క్లాస్ పొద్దున్నే 7 AM to 8 AM ఉంటుంది. క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన వెంటనే మీరు ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళాలి. ఆఫీస్ వర్కింగ్ అవర్స్ వచ్చేసి 9 AM to 7 PM. ఈ టైంలో ఎప్పుడైనా వెళ్ళొచ్చు, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. అక్కడ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఉంటారు, మీకు కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు.
ఓకే ఓకే అంటే డైలీ వెళ్ళొచ్చా సార్? డైలీ వెళ్ళాలా సార్?
డైలీ వెళ్ళొచ్చు. ఓన్లీ పబ్లిక్ హాలిడేస్ లో మాత్రమే మేము అనౌన్స్ చేస్తాం ఎప్పుడైతే ఆఫీస్ ఉండదో. పబ్లిక్ హాలిడేస్ లో ఆఫీస్ ఉండదు. రిమైనింగ్ సాటర్డే సండే కూడా ఆఫీస్ ఉంటుంది.
అంటే 7 to 8 క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత 8 నుంచి క్లాస్కి వెళ్ళొచ్చు, అక్కడ ల్యాబ్కి వెళ్ళొచ్చా సార్?
మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. 9 AM నుంచి 7 PM కి ఆఫీస్ టైమింగ్స్. 9 AM నుంచి 7
ఓకే
PM ఆల్ బ్రాంచెస్.
ఓకే
మార్నింగ్ 9 AM to
ఓకే
7
ఓకే
PM ఈ టైంలో ఎప్పుడైనా వెళ్ళొచ్చు మీరు.
అంటే
సండే సాటర్డే సార్? వాట్
క్లాస్
అబౌట్ సండే సాటర్డే?
క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత
క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత సండే సాటర్డే కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఓన్లీ పబ్లిక్ హాలిడేస్ లో
ఓకే
మాత్రమే ఉండదు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. సార్ ఇది మీరు
One
చెప్పింది
second,
ఫ్రెషర్
one second,
ఇంటర్న్షిప్.
one second. I'm stopping this recording because all these are personal questions. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.